Look at the question. Everyone, come on. The students in 3 classes are in the ratio 2:3:5. If 40 students are increased in each of the class, the ratio changes to 4:5:7. Originally, the total number of students was how much is the question. How will you do it? So think, look at this question. 2:3:5 is the initial ratio, correct now? Then the final ratio is what? 4:5:7. And what are they telling us? They are telling us that 40 students are added. Are you okay? Yes? 40 students are added. That means an increment of 40 is happening to each class, correct? But here, look at it. How much is the increment in the ratio? +2, +2, +2. But according to this question, what is this 2? 40. So 1 will be how much? 40 divided by 2, that is 20. So my question is, originally the total number of students is how much? 2 plus 3 plus 5. 2 plus 3 plus 5. How much is it? 10. So 10 into 1 is how much? 10. 10 into 20 is how much? 200. Correct? Understood? Always think in this angle. And usually it will come only this way. They won't try to change the ratio and all to make it complicated for you. All the time the increment will be same. Most of the question. Can I go for the second one? Yes, look at the question. A bag contains coins of denomination 1 rupee. So 1 rupee is there. Then 2 rupees is there. Then 5 rupees is there. Their numbers are in the ratio. They are telling their numbers are in the ratio what? 4:3:1. That is number of coins ratio. Sorry, 2. That is number of coins ratio, not the value ratio. Always think that. Then what are they telling? If the bag has total of 1,800, so they are giving us the value. So we should equate the value to value. We cannot equate the numbers to value. So if there are 4 1 rupee coin, what will be the value? 4. If there are 3 2 rupee coin, what will be the value? 3 into 2, that is 6. If there are 2 5 rupee coin, what will be the value? 10. So total value now is how much? 20. 4 plus 6 plus 10, that is 20. But according to the question, this 20 is how much? 1,800. So 1 is how much? 1,800 divided by 20, that is 90. So they are asking, find the number of 2 rupee coins. So what will be the answer? 3 into 90, that is. Understood? Easier? Yes. Next question. Look at this. Our own thing. 4 tables and 3 chairs. Cost how much? 2250. 3 tables and 4 chairs cost how much? 1950. Find the cost of 2 chairs and 1 table. So 4 tables plus 3 chair, it is how much? 3 chair, it is how much? 2250. Then 3 tables plus 4 chairs is how much? 1950. How will you solve it? You should tell me. Can you find the value of T and C? Can you find the value of X and Y? Do you remember? Ignore one, find the other one. So what was the method? Revise it. Tell me. Are you going for elimination method? If you are going for elimination method, go for that. Don't stop. If you don't have time for thinking, don't stop. Whatever is there in your mind, go for it. Never go for the wrong answer. Other than that, everything you can go for. Now, how will you solve it? Elimination and elimination. Fine. Try elimination. Yes. How will you eliminate? Multiply. Yes. 3 is the first one and 4 with the second one. Yes. You will get the answer right. That way you can find it. Or you can use our method. What was our method? C is equal to. Do you remember? Ignoring this term. Then top to bottom or bottom to top? Bottom to top. Top to bottom. Yes. Then Anyway, if minus is there, it's ignore it. That's all. Yes. What will happen? 3 into 2250 minus 4 into 1950 divided by 4 into 4 plus or minus, plus or minus, which is it? Minus 3 into 3. How much you got? C. And how much you will get for T. If you are finding it difficult using T and C, use X and Y. Okay. 750. Did you find the value of T and C? First you should find the value of T and C, then only you will get it. Otherwise you won't get it. T is how much? 450. Then chair is how much? 150. Then 2 into 150 is 300. 300 plus 450. How much is it? 750. Understood? Yes. Next question. Look at this. Here question, there is a mistake here. There should be an x. 1 root of the equation x square minus 2 into 5 plus m into x plus 3 into 7 plus m is equal to 0 is reciprocal of the other. What was the formula? Alpha beta is equal to 1. Product is equal to 1. Chetan, what happened? Yes. If anything is there, ask me. Okay. Yes. Product is 1. According to our formula of quadratic equation, what was the formula for product? Yes, constant term. That is 3 into 7 plus m divided by coefficient of x square. That is 1. Which is equal to how much? 1. So what is our answer? So 21 plus 3m is equal to 1. So m is equal to minus 20 divided by 3. Option A. Did you get the answer? Yes. Any doubt? Pandivelan, any doubt? No. Next one. Yes. Look at the question. Very big question, but the answer is very small. Yes. So they have given something. I'm not going to read the question also, okay? I'm just going to judge the question without reading the question. Look at the table. You know that it is a question from inequality, right? So look, gadget is there, A is there, B is there. And foundry 10 is there, 6 is there, machine shop 5 is there, 4 is there. I don't want to read the question. Then they are telling firm's capacity per week is this much, 1000 and 600. Chetan, are you getting it? So my question. Capacity is 1000. Does that mean that the capacity will go over 1000? Maximum capacity is always 1000. Not more than 1000. So what will be our answer? Yes. 10x plus xy less than or equal to 1000. 5x plus y less than or equal to 600. And always x and y should be greater than or equal to 0. Did I read the question? No. In the exam hall also, we won't be reading the question if it is there. If time is the case, it should be always less than. Capacity is the case, it should be less than. If work is the case, more than. Yes. Okay. Yes. Next question. Easy. In which direction she is moving? I told you, always read the last line first. Then only go for the first, whatever is written. So, Sangeeta leaves from home. She walks 30 meters in the northwest direction. So, she is moving in which direction? Northwest. Northwest is which direction? This direction or this direction? This or this? Both are this only, right? Yes. This direction. Northwest. Northwest is this, right? Gujarat. Gujarat is in north. No, west side. So always think that. Yes. Gujarat is in west side. Correct? Yes. Yeah. Yes. In Rajasthan. Anyway, it's fine. Then what is happening? Then she is turning in southwest direction. That means from here she will move towards this side. Then what happens? She walks 30 meters in the southeast direction. So she moved this way. Now finally she moved towards the house. So answer is northeast, option B. Okay? Got the point? Yes. Now look at it. What is the last thing we are going to learn? In which direction is he from point A? x. That means with respect to the initial point, where is he now? So how will you read the question? Rahim started from point X, walked 5 kilometers straight east. That means east how much? Correct? Yes. Then turn left. Left of east is what? Left of east is what? North. And walked how much? 2 kilometers. Again turn left. Left of north is what? West. How many kilometers? 7 kilometers. So, who are opposite to each other? East and west. So, what will remain? North to west to. What is our answer? Northwest. Yes. Now, the next question. Tell me the answer. I think we solved the same question in the class. Yes. Whenever you see a number series based question, if the increment is not too much, most of the cases it will be the sum itself. So look at this. How much is the difference here? 7 plus how much is 11? 4. 11 plus how much is 13? 12. 13 plus 2. 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, plus 4, plus 2, plus 4, plus 2, plus 4, plus 2. Answer is option B, 31. Correct, Najim? Yes. Now look at the question. What is happening over here? Machine is coded as 19, 7, 9, 14, 15, 20 and 11. Then, no. They are given an hyphen. Okay. When is your date of birth? Your date of birth, 30? Yes. 2000? Yes. 30 minus 12 minus 2005. No. It's the hyphen. Okay. Yes. Now, what is happening over here? What do you think? M is coded as how much? M is 19. A is coded as 7. That means, according to our alphabetical series, M is at which position? 13th position. But here it is 19. So 13 plus how much is 19? Plus 6. A is in which position? First position. Here it is plus 6. C is in third position. 3 plus 6 is 9. So D is in what position? Fourth position. So D plus 6 is how much? 10. So option C is the answer. Yes. Yeah. Because here too many numbers. Look at danger. We don't know T. Then do you know A is there? G is there? No. Then R is there? No. That's why we cannot directly go for the coding from there. Okay. That's why we went for the alphabetical coding itself. Yes. Now the next question. Look at it. A, B, C, D, E, F are sitting around a round table. A is between E and F. So how many people are there, people? 6 people are there. So our circle is there. So whenever we are drawing 6, it will be like circle. Yes. No. Yes. Oh. Okay. Now, how many are there? 6 people are there. A is between E and F. So, if A is here, it is between E and F. Where will you draw E? Anywhere. We will try. Always it is trial and error, right? If it's not right, we will change the drawing. That's all. Then what is given? E is opposite to D. That means D will be over here. Then C is not either the neighbor of E. C is not in either of the neighboring seat of E. That means C will be over here. Then who is there? Who is there? Answer is what? F. That's our answer. Got the point? Any doubt? Any doubt? Yes. Shaimol, you understood? Yes. Now. Okay. Next one. Yes. Oshin. Rohint. Yes. Chetan. How was the sleep? Or good? Not now. Oh, are you sleeping? Yes. Everyone is sleeping properly, right? PGR. Okay. How is the sleep there? Difficult. Yes. I think first time you are staying away from home. Okay. Fully back pain. What are you doing there, huh? Pointing to a photograph, a man said to a woman. So, who is the speaker? Who is the listener? Man is the speaker. Then, woman is the listener. Then, his mother. It is within quotes. His mother means that reference person. Correct? Some reference person pointing to a photograph is telling. Okay, his mother. That means a reference person is there. So his means he is male. And he has a mother. Is the only who is the only daughter of your father. What do you mean by that? His mother only, right? His mother is the only daughter of your father. Of your father. Yes, that means the woman's father. Who is the woman's father? The woman's father itself. Then who will be the mother? That woman itself. Answer is what? Mother. Okay. Can we go for the next one? Yes, look at this. And do you remember one thing? If there are a lot of things given, that means we are getting that 1 mark. If the question is big, that means we are getting that 1 mark no matter what. If the question is small from seating arrangement, it is little difficult. Now look at this. Read the following information, answer the given bill. Oh, it is blood relation. Question is big, that means it is good. A is the father of C. So A is there and A is the father of C. But C is not his son. That means daughter. Then E is the daughter of C. That means E will come over here, is the daughter of C. Then F is the spouse of A. So F is married to A. Correct? F is the spouse of A. Then B is the brother of C. So B is the brother of C. Then D is the son of B. D is the son of B. Then what else is given? G is the spouse of B. That means B is married to G. Then H is the father of G. H is the father of G. Everything is there. Who is the grandmother of D? So D is here. So D is there. Then who will be the grandmother? F will be the grandmother. So answer is option C. Then who is the son of F? Who is the son of F? B is the son of F. So we got 2 answers by just solving 1 question. So if you draw it wrong, that means you are losing how much mark? 2.5 marks. Correct? Yes. Now look at this. A is the father of C and D is the son of B. Can you write? Yes. Write. Everyone should write. I am telling you. Please write. And I am telling you, no one will help you in the exam hall. You should only write. So please write alone. Yes. A is the father of C. A is there. A is the father of C. And D is the son of B. Do you have any connection? No. We will keep it there itself. E is the brother of A. That means E is a male who is brother of A. If C is the sister of D, that means C is the sister of D. Then what else is given? D is the son of B. That means D is a male who is the son of who? B. That means who is married to whom? A is married to B. Answer is, how is B related to E? Sister-in-law. How is Sachin Tendulkar related to Arjun Tendulkar? Father. So how is B related to E? Sister-in-law. We are talking with respect to B. So always consider B's gender. Okay? Yes. Now look at the next question. Very good question. If P plus Q means P is the father of Q, P into Q means P is the brother of Q, P minus Q means P is the mother of Q, then which of the following is definitely true about C minus A plus B? What did I tell you? Whenever we see some question like this, start from one of the side. So A plus B means what? A is the father of who? B. Then C minus A is what? C is the mother of A. C is the mother of A. So B is the son of A is the son of C. What is the right one? Which is definitely true. Definitely. With our facts, what is true? A is the son of C. Okay, correct? Yes. Look at the next one. Get ready, people, with your calculator. It will be done in 10 seconds. Every question will be in that manner. Okay, do you know the formulas? What is the formula for SI? PTR percentage. What is the formula for CI? P into 1 plus I, the whole raised to n minus 1. If you zoom in, 1 plus I, the whole raised to n minus 1 is the formula of effective rate of interest. Then, if you zoom out and zoom in again, P into 1 plus I, the whole raised to n is the formula for amount in with respect to compound interest. Correct? Yes? Can you solve this? We solved this in the class also, the same question. Yes? So what is given over here? If a simple interest on a sum of money at 6% for 7 years is equal to, that means SI1 is equal to twice SI2. Correct? SI1. What is SI1? What is the formula? P1 RT, which is equal to 2 into P2 RT. Instead of R, who is sitting here? 6 into 7, which is equal to, here, instead of R and T, who is sitting there? 9 into 5. What will get cancelled off? 2 and 2 will get cancelled off. It will become 3. 3 and 3 will get 9 will cancel off 3. Then answer is P1 into 7 is equal to P2 into 15. So P1 by P2 is how much? 15 by 7. The ratio is 15 is to 7. Got the point? Or always think max by 40 is to LR by 20 is equal is to stats by 40. Think that way. So P1 divided by 15 is equal to P2 divided by 7. So the ratio is 15 is to 7. Okay. Now next question. Can you solve it? How much money is required to be invested every year as to accumulate 6 lakh? So they are telling we need to accumulate 6 lakh. That means future value is 6 lakh. What is the formula for future value? FB is equal to A by I into 1 plus I, the whole raised to n minus 1. Correct? Yes. 1 plus I is already given. This is this much. So 2 point, not 2. There is a point over there. Okay. 2.59736. Substitute everything and find the value of A. They are asking for annuity amount, right? Yes. Find the value of A. So see, yes. So how are we going to calculate it? First find 1 plus I, the whole raised to n minus 1. So that will be 1.59734. Correct? Divided by I. I is how much? 0.1. Divided by I. Then multiply it with A. No, we don't have A. So do divide equal to, then multiply it with 6 lakh. Our answer will be how much? Option C. Correct? Should I do it? Yes. You guys are experienced now, right? Yes. How good is your calculator methods now? It is becoming better? Yes, it should. At the end of the day, we need to pass CA Foundation and we need to get more than 60 from Quantitative Aptitude, no matter what. Because you can do it. Do you think that these many questions were difficult? These questions, this is the level of question. Always 60 questions will be easy. 40 questions will be medium difficulty. From that 40, some medium difficulty questions will be like very difficult. Other than that, everything is very easy. Okay, now, can we do the next one? Yes, the scrap value of the machine valued at 10 lakh after 15 years of depreciation is 10% per annum. What is given in the question? Scrap value we need to find. So A is equal to P into 1 minus I, the whole raised to n is the formula for depreciation. So here, what is given? P is given, right? P is 10 lakh. So 10 lakh has how many zeros? 6 zeros into 1 minus I. That means 1 minus 10% is how much? 0.9. The whole raised to how much? 15. Find the value. 0.9 into equal to how many times? 14 times. Then multiply it with 10 lakh. What is our answer?
B.
Option B is our answer. Did you get the point? Yes. Next question.
Option A.
Crazy. The effective rate of interest corresponding to nominal rate of 6% per annum payable quarterly. Quarterly means I will be converted into 6 divided by 400. So I value is that much, right? Then N is how much here? 4. Then what is the formula for ERI percentage? Which is equal to 1 plus I, the whole raised to N, minus 1, the whole into 100. This 1 plus I. So find, first thing, take the calculator. Everyone take the calculator. Find I. How will you find I? 6 divided by 400. 6 divided by 400. Then add 1 plus 1. Plus 1 you will type. Then into equal to how many times? Into equal to time. Equal to 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then minus 1. Then multiply it with 100. Answer is 6.136, approximately equal to option A, 6.14. Artha aita? Purinjida? Yes. Next question. What is our formula? Are we learning multiple formulas? Don't go for multiple formulas because you are human. You will forget things. Yes, correct. You will forget. So only learn one formula. If you have the calculator, every formula can be a simplified formula. You know how to use calculator. That means don't worry about anything. If a person is using the calculator, right, like this, 1 plus I is equal to this much, then he will write it. And if we are going by that method, it's not the right method. You should use only calculator, then use M plus, MRC, whatever you want to do that way. Then everything will be easy. Correct? Yes. What is the formula? CA minus SI. What is the formula?
Yes.
For 2 years it is PR square. Correct. But what was the formula we learned? Yes. Compound interest minus simple interest is equal to P into 1 plus I. The whole raised to N minus 1 minus TR percentage. Apply here also. Any way you can do. Rather than learning multiple formulas, learn one formula. So 1 plus I the whole raised to N. Can you find it? Everything is given. So the difference between compound interest annually, simple interest is this much, 10% per annum, 2 years. N is how much? 2. 1 plus I is 1.1 square minus 1 in minus T into R percentage. Very easy. Then divide equal to, multiply it with, so they are asking for difference, right? They are directly asking for difference, huh? No. They have given the difference, that is 372. So find this value, then click divide equal to, multiply it with 372, you will get the value of P. How much you got? 372. Correct? Any doubt? Yes? Can we go ahead? Next one. Look at the question. The future value of annuity. So A is how much? 1500. Made for 5 years. N is how much? 5. Then at an interest rate of 10%, I is equal to 0.1. Compounded annually itself. Everything is given. What is the formula for future value of annuity? Is it annuity regular or annuity due? Regular. Nothing is given. So it is annuity regular. So what is the formula? A by I into 1 plus I, the whole raised to N minus 1. Correct? Yes. Can you apply the formula? Yes. Can you get the answer for me? Everything is given. We need to find the future value of annuity. Substitute everything. You will get the answer. Use calculator. How much you got? 9157.65. Everyone got the same answer? Okay. Got it? Got it? Yes. 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 Pranav, you got it? Yes. Yes. Arnav, you got it? Yes. 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 Chetan? Karachacha? Yes. Good. Then, next question. What is the present value of annuity? 1000 payable at the end of which year? For 10 years. End of which year means annuity, regular. If the rate of interest is 6% is compounding per annum. How are we going to find? We are using the GT method. Directly use the GT method, you will get the answer. What is our method? Type. What is the interest rate? 6%. So 1.06. Then divide. Equal to how many times? 10 times. Yeah, whatever number of years, 10 equal to 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then what are we going to click? Click GT. Then multiply it with the annuity amount, that is 1000. Multiply it with 1000. You will get the answer as 7360. Did you get the answer? Yes? Everyone got the answer? Yes, sir. What was the method? 1.06. Then divide equal to 10 times. Then click GT. Then multiply it with 1000. That's all. You will get the answer. Now the next question. A borrows 5 lakh to buy a house. Borrows means what? Loan. So what is given over here? Present value. Okay. Now what is given? If he pays equal installments for 20 years, that means N is equal to 20. Then 10% outstanding balance. What will be the equal installment? They are asking for A value. How will you find? 1. Yes. 1.1. Then click divide sign. Equal to how many times? 20 times. Then click GT. Then divide equal to, multiply it with 5 lakh. You will get the answer. Yes. Try. 1.1 divide equal to how many times? 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then click GT. Divide equal to, multiply it with how much? 5 lakh. Answer is 58729. Correct? Option B. Next question. Suppose your mom decides to gift you 10,000 every year. Starting from today. Starting from today means what, people? Annuity. Due or annuity immediate. Then for the next 16 years, N is how much? N is equal to 16. You deposit this money in a bank, as and when you receive, get 8.5% per annum interest rate compounded annually. So everything is proper. What is the present value? So what are we going to find? PV. How will you find PV? So what is given in this? 1.085. Correct? 1.085. Then divide equal to how many times? Equal to how many times? 16 times equal to. Then click GT. Correct? Then multiply it with how much? What is the annuity amount here? 10,000. So 10,000. Now, is that our answer? No. Since it is annuity due, we need to multiply again with 1.085. Our answer is that. Yeah. That is also fine. Any method. I just forgot that. That's why I put it over here. Okay. Yes. How much you got? 93,000. 93,000. 40. Yes. 83,000. Let me try. 93,000. 1.085 is also there. Yes. Correct. Yes. 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 Sainika. Tell me. Correct. Yes. Next question. What will be the population after 3 years when the present population is 1 lakh and the population increases 3% for the first year, 4% for the second year and 5% for the third year? What was the method we were doing? Type 1 lakh on your calculator plus 3% plus 4% plus 5% on your calculator. You will get the answer. Type 1 lakh plus 3% plus 4% plus 5%. Answer is how much? 1, 1. Yes. Can we go ahead? Now, look at the question. What is given? The present value of an annuity which pays 200 at the end of 3 months for 10 years, assuming money to be worth 5% converted quarterly. So, what are we going to do? Compounding is what? N is equal to how much? N is equal to 10 years is there. So, quarterly means 10 into 10 into 10 into 4 is 40. Then I is how much? 5 divided by 400. Yes. Get me the answer. You will get the answer, right? Present value. Find the value. 6265. Yes. Click equal to 40 times. That's what. Yes. Then click GT. I'll give you an add-on tip. When you are doing calculation, one or the other thing you might have ignored. If none of this is there, and you got an answer like 6345 or 6157 or 675 something, which is near to 6265, right? We might have ignored something somewhere. Sometimes you will get an answer little bit different. Always then go for that answer. It's option C. Don't go for none of this. Okay? In this case, I'm not talking about the entire thing. Only for this case. Okay? Can we go for the next one? Yes.
Option
A. Give me 1 minute. I can do it. Yes. What is given? The value of furniture depreciate 10% a year. The present value of the furniture in an office is 21870. Calculate the value of furniture 3 years ago. They are asking what? What have they given? They have given a value 21870, which is equal to P into 1 minus I. 1 minus I is 0.9, the whole raised to. How much is the answer? Is it? Yes. So 0.9 into equal to how many times? 2 times. 1, 2. Then divide equal to, multiply it with 21870. How much you got? 29999.999999? 30,000. Yes. Next question. Yay. Yes. Correct. How did you get it? A sum of money at simple interest doubled itself in how many years? 8 years. That means 100 is becoming 200 in how many years? 8 years. What is the interest? Simple interest is equal to 100 here. Then 100 is becoming how many years? It will become treble. That means 300. So simple interest here it is 200. So we want to find the year. That means 100 is into 2. So 8 into 2. Answer is 16. We are not even writing the formula. In the beginning stage, we used to write SIU2 divided by SIU1 into T1. Now we are just telling 100 is becoming into 2 is 200. So number of years will become into 2, that is 16. Next question.
Option C.
Yes. We solved the same thing in marathon also, I guess. Yes. What is the method? What is 2 cube? Integral. 2 cube is how much? 8. 8 raised to x. Then 3 square is 9 raised to x. Then 5 square is 25 raised to x dx. So a raised to x, b raised to x, c raised to x. Can we write it as a, b, c raised to x? That means a into b into c raised to x. That means integral 8 into 9 into 25. 8 into 9 into 25 is equal to 1800, the whole raised to x dx. So if it is integral a raised to x, what was the formula? A raised to x by log a. That means answer is 1800, the whole raised to x divided by log 1800 plus c. Now we know that this 1800 is this only, right? So answer is option C is our answer. Got it? Yes. What is integral x square? X cube divided by 3. What is integral e raised to x? What is integral e raised to 1? Integral e raised to 1 dx. Hey, actually that is a good question. Yes. 1 now. Hey. E is a constant. E will come outside. It will be ex plus c. Got it? What is the value of E? What is the value of E? 2.72. We need that in our last chapter. Do you remember? Yes. No, second last chapter. We need that. Yes. Binomial we need it. What is the value of E? 2.72. Now, can you solve it? Very basic question. Integral 2x plus 5. What is integral 2x plus 5? Can I write it as 2x square divided by 2 plus 5x? The 1 to 4. So 2 and 2 will get cancelled off. Now I am applying the limit. So 4 square is how much, people? 16 plus 5 into 4 is how much, people? 20 minus, if I apply 1 lower limit, that is 1 minus 5. Answer is how much? 30. Option C. Arthaita? Yes. Can I go for the next one? Yes. Ishwar, are you getting it? Yes. Yes, 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 yes. And I'm telling you, from model test paper, just please write it down. Nithin sir told that from model test paper, I will at least get 10 questions. You will get, I'm telling you, one or the other way, they will at least change one value and one question, like 10 questions might be there. You can, I'm taking the worst. One question from one mock. 10 mocks, 10 model papers are there, right? One question will be there. Think that way. 10 marks is there for you. So printout is there, right? 10 marks there is there in your front. There. Only thing is that you need to know how to solve it. If you get 10 marks from that, you can always get 30 marks from your knowledge. If you study it. Yeah, next question. The equation of the tangent to the curve x cube minus 2x plus 3 at the point 2, 7 is dash. What was the method? How will you find the slope of a tangent? Dy by dx, do you remember? Even if you don't remember anything, you should remember that slope of a tangent is what? Given curve derivative, dy by dx. That means dy by dx will be how much? 3x square minus 2. So at the point, put 2 there. That will become 3 into 4 minus 2, which is equal to 10. Slope is 10. Now, what is the equation of a tangent? Y minus y1, which is equal to m into x minus x1. Y minus y1 is how much? Y minus y1 is 7, which is equal to 10 into x minus 2. Answer is y minus 7, which is equal to 10x minus 20. So y is equal to 10x minus 13. Answer is option C. And I also told that most of the cases, just find the m value, and most of the cases there will be a slope. Since these two values are not equal, the chances of the slope not being there is also, the what value? Slope should be there, then intercept not being there is not possible. So answer is, from the option itself, answer is option C. Okay. Now next question. Can you solve it? So x is equal to ct. Then dx by dt is how much? How much, Ananda Kishore? Dx by dt is how much? Huh? Yes. Think. No, look. Don't think. Just look and write. I'm telling you. Yes. How much is it? Dx by dt is c. Dy by dt is how much? Minus c by t square. Then dy by dx is equal to this divided by this. Answer is minus 1 by t square. Option C. These types of questions are very important. I'm telling you again and again. Okay. Now look at the next one. Can we find the answer? The number of letters of the word violet. Now violent. Yes. Are arranged so that the vowels occupy even positions. So how many letters are there in total? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. and 7 are there. Even positions. That means this, this, and this. How many vowels are there in total? 3 vowels. So 3 factorial into 4 factorial. That means 3, 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. Anyway, multiply that, you will get the same answer. What is the answer? 144. Now the next question. We solved the same question inside the class. A garden having 6 trees. So how many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then how many people? 5 people are standing. Yes. So 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 is how much? 120. That is 5 factorial. Yes, one of them was Isaac Newton. Just normalize telling jokes like this. You just laugh off. Yes. Now, the next one. You give me 1 minute. Yes. Yes, look at the question. Find the number of arrangements in the letters of the word Monday be arranged so that the words thus form begin with M and do not end with N. So, M is the beginning word, right? So, how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 places are remaining. And they are telling that it should not end with N. So, how many people can sit in the last position? 4. Correct? Then, how many people can sit in the second last position? 4. How many? 3, 2, 1. 1 into, 2 into, 3 into, 4 into 4. How much is the answer, people? 96. Yes. Correct. Next question. How many ways can a party of 4 men and 4 women be seated in a circular table so that no 2 women are adjacent? So it is a circular arrangement. So n minus 1 factorial, that will be 3 factorial into 4 factorial. Answer is how much? There is a shortcut which I taught you on that. Answer is 144. Can we go for the next question? I think I got a call. Let's see. Yes. A Supreme Court bench consists of 5 judges. In how many ways the bench can give a majority division? Majority. A majority should be there. What are the majorities? 3, 4, 5 are the majorities. We will just add 3 plus 4 plus 5. No. They are giving something. So what is the formula? 5. 5C3 plus 5C4 plus or 5C1. 5C3 is how much? 3 factorial. Sorry, 5 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 2 factorial. 4 into 5 divided by 2 is 10. Plus 5C4 is equal to 5C1, which is 5. Then 5C1 is how much? So 5C4 is how much? 5 factorial divided by 4 factorial into how much is it? 5C4 is 1. 5. Then 5C5 is how much? 1. Answer is 16. Got the point? Yes. Majority. 3, 4 and 5 are majority. Can 2 be a majority? No. 2 can be a majority when there are only 3 people or 2 people. Okay. Next question. Do you remember this property? If pth term of an AP is Q and qth term of an AP is P, then the rth term is what? P plus Q minus R. Do you remember? We solved the entire thing. Yes, but it is a property of AP. P plus Q minus R. Now, find the numbers whose GM is 5 and AM is 7.5. So we will check first option hitting. We will see. 12 plus 13 divided by 2 is how much? 12.5. So option A is wrong. Try option B. 13.09 plus 1.9 divided by 2 is 7.5. So option B is our answer. Got it? Do you go and find GM again? No. Anyway, 14 plus 11 is 25. That is 7.5. Sorry, 12.5. Anyway, that won't be AM. So this is our method. Next one. Can you find the answer? So an is how much? An is equal to, sorry, Sn is how much? 2n square plus 5n. So I need to find an. How will you find an? An is equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. So which is equal to 2n square plus 5n minus. So 2 into n minus 1 the whole square. That is 2 into n square minus 2n plus 1. Correct? N minus 1 the whole square. A minus b the whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Similarly here n square minus 2n plus 1. Correct? Yes. Plus 5 into n minus 1. That can be written as 5n minus 5. Correct? Yes. Now 2n square minus 5n minus 2n square plus
4n plus 3.
plus 4n plus how much? Plus 4n plus 2 minus 5n plus 5. Answer is how much? 2n square will get cancelled off. Plus 4n and minus 4n will become 5n is there. So 1 is maybe this is my plus 5n, right? So this will get cancelled off. 4n minus this is minus 2. Yes, answer is 4n plus 3. Yes. And one more thing, while doing the question itself, you will know that this will be the answer. Because we know that it is 4n at the end. And a positive sign should also come. That's why, without even completing the question, you can go for the answer all the time. Next one, look at this. The first, second, and seventh term of an AP are in GP. Oh, what is that? First, that means A1, then A2, then A7 are in GP. What is the speciality of a GP? Their common ratio is same, correct? Can I write it as A2 by A1 is equal to A7 by A2? So what is A2, A1? Can I write it as A? First term is A. What is A2? Can I write it as A plus D? A plus n minus 1 into D. So A plus 2 minus 1 into D. That is A plus D. A plus D. What is A7? Do you remember? When I say A7, what will you say? A plus 60. 60. This is A plus D. Now cross multiply. Cross multiplying it will become A plus D the whole square, which is equal to A square plus 6AD. A plus D the whole square is how much? A square plus D square plus 2AD, which is equal to A square plus 6AD. So A square will get cancelled off. Then 2AD will go to the other side. It will become 4AD, which is equal to 4AD. Then D is equal to how much? D is equal to D and D will get cancelled off, right? D is equal to 4A. Then common difference is given. So A is how much? A is equal to 2 by 4, which is equal to 1 by 2. We got A, but they are asking what? Second term. What is our second term? A plus D, which is A is how much? 1 by 2 plus D is 2. 1 by 2 plus D is 5 by 2. Got it? Any doubt? Say then. Call him up. What is happening to you, da? What is happening? Tell me. Too much speed, ah?
I selected and I become strong in that.
Okay, fine. Yes. Fine. That is fine, but make sure that that chapter is, yeah, you should get the marks from that. Okay, fine. Next one. Find the sum of all natural numbers between 252 and 1000 which are exactly divisible by 3. Which are those numbers, people? Is 250 divisible by 3? No. 251 divisible by 3? No. 252 is divisible by 3. How will you check? Type 250 divided by 3. If you get a decimal, that means it is not divisible by 3. Then type 251 divided by 3. Again you are getting a decimal. Then type 252 divided by 3. It is 84. That means the first term is 252. etc. Then next term is 255, etc. up to 999. That everyone knows. Now what are we going to find? Sn. Sn is equal to what? N by 2 into a plus an. Correct? There is a formula like a plus an. Then do you know the value of n? N. No, how will you find n? So we have an, right? An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So 999 is equal to a is how much? 252 plus n minus 1 into d is how much? 3. So n is how much? So take the calculator. 999 minus 252, which is 742 divided by 3 plus 1. So n is equal to 250. So 250 divided by 2 into 252 plus 999. So find the answer. Option A. Yes. Got the point? Everyone? Yes. Yes. Any doubt in this? Everyone, I'll tell you where you will go wrong in this question. You will do everything, but for some reason you will be like, how will I find n? That doubt will come to you. Even though you have the nth term, you will be like, how will I find n? That is the point where you will go wrong in this question. Okay. Now, what is the answer, people? Set of lines being perpendicular. So, can A perpendicular to A itself? If there is a line A, can it be perpendicular to itself? No. That means it is not reflexive. Then, if A is perpendicular to B and can B be perpendicular to A? Yes. So, that means it is symmetric. Can it, if A is perpendicular to B and B is perpendicular to C, can A be perpendicular to C? No, it's not possible. They will be parallel. Answer is not transitive. Answer is B, symmetric. Now, what is the question? A minus C into B. A minus C is how much? A not C. A not C is what? A minus C is how much? Which are present in A, not in. What is the answer? 4. Then 4 into how much? 2 is 2 comma 4. Sorry. That is 2 comma 4. Now A minus C into B is how much? 2 comma 4 into 2 comma 4. What is the answer? Option? Yes. 2 comma 2, 2 comma 4, 4 comma 2, 4 comma 4. Now the next question. Out of 150 students, 45 passed in accounts. Okay. 30 passed in economics, 50 in maths, 30 in both. Very easy question. Then 32 in both maths and economics, 35 in both accounts and economics, 25 passed in 3 subjects. Find the number who passed at least 21 of the subject. At least anyone means whenever you see at least, you will do union operation. A union B union C. N of A union B union C is N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of A intersection C plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Here N of A is how much? 45 plus 30 plus 50 minus 30 minus 32 minus 35, yes, plus 25. Answer is how much? 70? 53, huh? Yes, 53. Got the point? Yes. Next question. Can you tell me the answer? They have given you what? They have given f of x. They have given g of x. They are asking us fog. Fog is what? F of g of x. F of g of x, which is equal to f of 2x minus 3. Instead of x, we will put 2x minus 3. So that is 2x minus 3 the whole square plus 3 into 2x minus 3 plus 1. So 2x minus 3 the whole square is how much? 4x square minus Correct? Then plus 6x minus 9 plus 1. So minus 9 plus 9 cancel off. Then what is remaining? 4x square minus 6x plus 1. Which is the right answer? Option C. Yes. Got the point? Then can I do the next question for you? Or you will do the next question for me? Yes. Look at the question. Ages of two persons are in the ratio 5:7. I told you when the ratio is given and the two ages are given, that means our answer is right there. So check. Their present ages are. What will be the answer? 5:7. That means 50:70 is how much? 5:7. If anyone else is giving that, no. 70:5, 50 is how much? 7:5. 40:56 is something else. We don't want to know. So answer is 5:7. But none of this is there in the option. So we need to read again. 18 years ago, that means 18 years ago, their ratio is 8:13. We will check once again. 50 minus 18 is how much? 32 or? 32 minus is 2. 70 minus 18 is how much? 70 minus 18 is 52. Check the ratio. Divide everything with 4. It is 8:13. Correct. That means our answer is correct. Can I go for the next one? Look at the question. A box contains 56 in the form of 1 rupee, 50 paise and 25 paise. They are telling a value is there. The value is how much? 56. The number of 50 paise coin is double. That means if I am taking 50 paise as x, number of 50 paise coin is equal to 2 times the number of 25 paise coin. I am taking it as y, and also 4 times 1 rupee. I am taking this as z. So 1 rupee, 25 paise and 50 paise. Now what will you do? Divide everything by 4. So x by 4 is equal to y by 2 is equal to z by 1. So the numbers are what? 4:2:1. Number of coin is 4:2:1. Now I am asking you the value. 450 paise are there means how much is the value? 2 rupees. So 250 paise means 25 paise means 0.5. 1 rupee means 1. So total is how much? 3.5 is how much as per the question? 56. So 1 is how much? 56 divided by 3.5. That is 16. 1 is 16. Then what are they asking? The number of 50 paise coin. So 50 paise coin is how much? 4 into? Yes, 4 into 16. Answer is 64. Understood? Everyone got the point? Yes. Where? No. Number. That is value. Yes. Value and number are different. Okay. Always think that. Now, can we do this? A man starts the job with certain monthly salary and earns a fixed increment every year. If his salary was 1,500 after how many years? 4 years of service, and 1,800 after 10 years. That means here how much? 6 years is there. What is the starting salary and what is the annual increment? Direct question. It is a question based on AP. So AP is how much? 300 divided by 6 is how much? D is equal to 50. 300 divided by 60 is 50. So starting salary will be 1,500 minus 4 into 50. Answer is 1,300. Option E is the answer. Got it? Yes. Yes. Have all you understood? Yes. Can we go for the next one? Next one is this one. How will you find this one? Before you find the positive value of k, for which the equation x square plus 4x plus 64 is equal to 0 and x square minus 8x plus k is equal to 0 will have real roots. What is our method? B square minus 4ac should be greater than or equal to 0. Correct? Correct. Yeah, can be, but real root means it should be perfect. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Put it that way. B square minus 4ac. Take the first one. B square minus 4ac is k square minus 4 into 64, which is equal to 0. So k square is 64 into 4. Then take the root. Answer is 16. K is equal to plus or minus 16. But we are only taking the positive value of k. Answer is option B. Okay, can we go for the next one? Yeah, very good question, very easy question. You can find the answer very easily. Praveen is facing west. So west is the initial direction. He turns 45 degree in the clockwise direction. That means plus 45. Then again turns another 180 degree in the same direction. 180 degree in the same direction means what? Plus 180 degree again. After that turns 270 degree in the anti-clockwise, minus 270 degree. So total is how much? 45 plus 180 minus 270. How much is it? Minus 45 degree. So the person is looking towards west, Gujarat side, right? The person is looking towards west. Now anti-clockwise means this way or this way? Down way, downside. Answer is southwest. 45 degree. Okay. Next one. Look at the question. Sweda moved 75 meters. We'll read the last one. In which direction was she moving finally? Yeah. I cannot stop you from drinking water. Please. How will you do it? We need to know the final direction the person is moving. How will you do it? So first initial direction is north. Then she turns to the left. Then she turns to the left and walked how much? We don't want to know that. Then turn 45 degree. That means north left means what? South 45 degree right. Right means clockwise. So the person is looking towards south and turns right 45 degree. Answer is southwest. Got the point? Yes? Yes? Any doubt? Can we go for the next one? Look at the question. In a straight line, there are 6 persons sitting in a row. B is between F and D. E is between A and C. A does not stand next to F or D. So A cannot be nearby to F or D. A cannot be here. A cannot be here. Then C does not stand next to D. So C cannot stand over here. So C can only stand over here. Who is there? So which of the following? F is between which of the following person? B and C. Got the point? Can we do the next one? Everyone? Yes. Look at the question. How far is she from the initial position? That means we need to find the shortest distance. What was the method? So Rashmi walked 2 km west, then turned south 4 km. Finally she covered east 3 and west 1. So west and east will get cancelled off. What is remaining? South 4. Answer is 4 km. Yes. Next one. Solve it. 5 boys. How many people are there? 5 people are there. Are sitting in a row. A is to the right of B. That means if B is here, A is somewhere over here. We don't know where is it. So that's why I'm giving a gap. And E is to the left of B. So E is to the left of B. Correct? Yes. But to the right of C. What does that mean? B is to the right of C. Or E is to the right of C. E is to the right of C. A is to the left of D. That means D will be over here. What is the answer? Who is second from the left? Who is second from the left? E. So this is the left, right? Left. So from left, this is from right. Okay. Next one. too many things are given, that means we are going to get the answer no matter what. T is fourth to the left of P. So P is there, correct? P is there. T is to the fourth to the left. Fourth to the left means how many people are there between T and P? 3 people are there in between T and P. So fourth to the left of P, correct? Am I correct? Am I correct? Yes. What happened all of a sudden? Everyone is like, okay. Okay, fine. You just fill that water, right? Oh, fine, good. I guess this also. Yeah. No. Fine. Now, what else is given? S is 4 to the right of W. Do you know where is W? In the alphabets. We don't know where it is here. Then, U and R are not sitting at the end, but they are neighbors of T and Q respectively. Let it be there. We don't want to write anything now also. P is next to the right of W. What does that mean? Where will be the position of W? Left of P. Yes, correct. But left of Q, what does that mean? P is next to the right of W and but left of Q. Can I write Q over here? Yes. Now what is there? U and R are not sitting at the end, but they are neighbors of T and Q respectively. That means U is the neighbor of T. Correct? Then R is the neighbor of who? Q. Then can I write R over here? How many people are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So one person will sit over here. Then S is 4 to the right of W. That means S will be where? 4 to the right of W. 3 people are there. 1, 2, 3. Then W. Correct? Sorry. Yes. Then who is remaining? V or yes. What is the answer? T and yes. Option A. Got it? If there is too many things, we will get the answer no matter what. Think about a situation, they haven't give one of it. That means it is getting complicated. You will get the answer, but it is getting complicated. Now, next one. Can you solve it, people? Now, what is the formula? A my log of A minus log of B. Log of A by B. That means log of x square plus x divided by x plus 1. What is common? X is common in the numerator. Can I write it as x into x plus 1? X plus 1, x plus 1 cancel. What is the base? 4, which is equal to 2. What's our answer? X is equal to 2 raised to 4. Answer is option C, 16. Correct? Yes? Do you remember? There is a formula in logarithm. Yes. Can I do the next one? So health, H-E-A-L-T-H, health. It is written as G-S-K-Z-D-G. Then north is written as, what is the question? Can I think this way? G H S T K L Z A D E G H. Correct? So north will be what? Minus 1. We should think in the opposite also. That is also fine. H will be what? G. Option B. You got the answer right away. Okay. G only will become H, right? So that is the case. Next question. In a certain chord, teacher, T-E-A-C-H-E-R, V-G-C-E-J-G-T. So T plus how much is V? Plus 2. E-F-G plus 2. A-B-C plus 2. D-E plus 2. H-I-J plus 2. E-F-G plus 2. R-S-T plus 2. So C plus 2 is how much? E. Then H plus 2 is how much? H plus 2 is how much? J. Which is the answer? We can ignore this, right? Then I plus 2 is how much? Hi, j, k. Anyone? No. Then L plus 2, m, n. Okay. Then next one. D plus 2 is f. Can we ignore anyone? Yes. Then T. Who is the answer then? Option D is the answer. Okay. R, S, T. Now the next question. Find the odd man out. Option? Well, then why not 49? 49 is 7 square, right? Answer is 37. I'll give you a priority right now. If a prime number is there in odd man thing, always go for that prime number. If a square is there, that will be given second priority. Okay, some people will go for 49, I know that. But the logic over here, the given answer key as per ICA is 37. Okay, why? Everything else is not a prime number. It is a prime number. Now people tell me, what is the answer? Option B. Next one. Footnote. Tabulation source of data if anything is shown in the footnote. Then the next one. Find the number of class intervals if the class length is given. What is the formula? Range divided by class length. Range is how much? Largest minus smallest. Largest is which one? 80 minus smallest is which one? 40. 41 divided by class length is how much? 5. What is our answer, people? 7.8 is approximately equal to 8. Our answer is option D. Now, the number of observation between 150 and 200. Just take the difference between both of them. Answer is how much? 35. Yes. Good. Hope this question come for you, so that you can get that mark in 1 second. Yes. Next one. From census, we are collecting the report. What does that mean? Secondary. You are not directly going and asking. That means it is not primary, it is secondary. Oi! What is the answer? Number of tests of adequacy. 4. Which are those tests? Okay, fine. Yeah, something and all you know. Good. Yes. Next one. Yes.
Option B.
Circular test is satisfied by. Pache, does it satisfy? No. Lappe, does it satisfy? No. Then answer is simply aggregative mean price relatives and weighted aggregative with fixed weights. Now, in a data group, Bole and Lappe's index number is as follows. What is the formula for Bole? Bole is equal to arithmetic mean of Lappe and Pache, L plus P divided by 2. So, Bole is how much? 150 is equal to 180 plus P divided by 2. So, 300 minus 180 is equal to 120. Option. So, Fisher's is given. F is equal to root of L into P. Geometric mean of Lappe and Pache. What is the answer? So, Fisher's is given. So, which is equal to root of L is how much? We need to find into 144. So, squaring both sides. So, 150 into equal to divided by 144. Answer is 166.25. Got it? Now, the next question. Can you solve it for me?
24.
Yes. Oh, he left. You didn't know that. Okay. Yes. I'll show you another method for this. Till now, I haven't shown. I thought about. Let me confuse you guys. Yes. So, what is the base? 100 is the base, right? 100 is becoming how much? 240. How much increment is there? 140% increment is there, right? So, take the calculator. 10,000 plus 140% is how much? 24,000. That's our answer. Okay? So, 100 is becoming 240. What is the difference? 140 is the difference. Initial salary was how much? 10,000. So, 10,000 plus 140% on your calculator. How much you will get? 24,000. That's our answer. Okay. Yes. Or follow the method, whichever you are following, you will get the answer. Parameter is a characteristics of what? Population. Parameter is a character of population. Yes, yes, yes. Any doubt? Next one. Do you remember? Option C,
Option D.
option D, So do you remember? It is 99.73 percentage. That means by all but not to 0.27 percentage. Answer is what? Option D. Don't go for option C. The question is made that way so that you will go wrong and you will lose 0.25 negative mark also you will get. Yes. Okay? Yes. Next one. What are we going to do? The overall percentage of failure in an examination is 0.3. That means passing is 0.7, Q is 0.3. What is the probability out of group of 6 candidates? At least 4 pass. At least 4 pass means either 4 or 5 or 6. So what is the formula we are going to use? Binomial distribution. What is the formula for binomial? NCX into P raised to X into Q power N minus X. That is the formula for binomial. So how will you write? N is how much? 6. 6C, first one. At least 4, right? So 4 people pass. 4 or more is the thing. 4CX, 6C4 into 0.7 the whole raised to 4 into 0.3 the whole raised to 2 plus 6C5 into 0.7 the whole raised to 5 into 0.3 the whole raised to 1 plus 6C6 into 0.7 the whole raised to 6, then that is 0. Anyway, we don't need it. I mean, raised to 0 is 1. So we don't need to write it. Can you find it? Find the answer.
0.7.
Is it? Yes. So 6C4 is how much? 6 factorial divided by 4 factorial into 2 factorial. So 6 factorial and 4 factorial will get cancelled. 5 into 6 is 30. 30 by 2 is 15. So 15 into this much, find it. Then clear, click M plus. Then 6C5 is how much? 6C5 is 6 only. So 6 into 0.5 the whole raised to this. Click again M plus. Then finally 1 into 0.7 the whole raised to 6. Again click M plus. Finally click MRC. How much you got? How much you got? So how will you do it? So first point, whichever is the highest one, 0.7 is having the highest power, right? So take calculator, clear the memory, type whatever I am doing, just do it. 0.7 into equal to how many times? 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Then multiply it with 15 because we know that 6C4 is how much? 15. 1 second. Yes. Hello, I'm in ICU batch. I'll come in 30 minutes. Okay. Yes. Yes. Then multiply it with 15. Then multiply it with 0.3 into 0.3. Then click M plus. Did you understand? We found 0.7 into equal to 3 times. Then into 0.3 into 0.3 into 15. Then M plus we clicked. Then now again find 0.7 into equal to how many times? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then multiply it with 0.3 into 6. Again click M plus. Then finally 6C6 is 1. Correct? So 0.7 into equal to 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then click M plus. Finally click MRC. You will get it as 0.744. Yes. Got the point? Did you get the calculation idea? So whichever is having the highest power, find it using the trick. Rest of it just multiply it. Okay? Can we do the next one? Simon? Yes? Can we do the next one? Yes. In a certain manufacturing process, 5% of the tool produced turned out to be defective. So 5% is defective. Find the probability that in a sample 40 tools at most 2 will be defective. At most 2 will be defective means P should be less than or equal to 2. Correct? Now, what are we going to do? Anyway, they have given something called as e raised to minus 2. So, e raised to minus m, Poisson distribution. So, mean value, m value, parameter is how much? 2. We don't need to find anything. We have it right here. So, NP is equal to?
E raised to 15.
NP is equal to 2. We know that mean is equal to 2. Now, how will you find it? So, which is equal to e raised to minus m. Instead of minus m, I am writing minus 2 into. First case, there can be 0, then 1 and maximum 2. What is the formula? E raised to minus m, m raised to. So 2 raised to 0 divided by 0 factorial plus e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial plus e raised to minus 2 into 2 raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial. Now what is the case? E raised to minus 2 take common. Then 2 raised to 0 is 1. 2 raised to 1 is 2 plus 4. The whole divided, 4 divided by 2. That is 2. So 5 into 0.135 because it is given that it is 0.135. So what is our answer? 0.75. Got the idea? Any doubt? Yes, Pandivalan, you got it? Did you study this chapter? Yes. Study, I am telling you, one of the easiest chapter is this one. Theoretical distribution, pakka you will get 4 marks if you know the formula. I am telling you, if you know the formula, I am not telling about anything else, just the formulas. And from the question itself, they will give you hint which one you should use. Look at here. E raised to means, we know that it is Poisson. We didn't even find the m value. We know that m is 2 there. If 2 was not given, how will you find it? Yes, 40 is there. 40 into 5% is how much? Yes.
You have option of theoretical distribution and correlation relation. Which you choose?
Which one?
Theoretical distribution and correlation relation. Which you choose?
Like to study. Both is easy, both are easy, da. No. I'm telling you. How many of you studied all the things? Both. I'm asking both of it. Theoretical and correlation. Study. How do you think it is? It is very easy. I'm telling you. It is just your mentality that it is difficult. I'm telling you. If you know the basic, like if you spend like 2 hours, you will learn 1 chapter. Yes. Just 10 formulas. That is more than enough to solve both of this. Put the effort, you will get it. I'm telling you, you still have time. Yes, I'm telling you, you still have time. If you haven't learned anything, try to learn that also. Every day put 2 hours for something you haven't learned. Okay, now the next question. What is given? NP is equal to 2. NPQ is equal to 4 by 3. They are asking for N. So put this over here. That will be 2 into Q is equal to 4 by 3. So Q is equal to 2 by 3. 4 by 6 is 2 by 3. So Q is equal to that much. Then P is equal to what? 1 minus Q. That is 1 by 3. Correct? Yes. So P is equal to 1 by 3. So N into 1 by 3 is equal to 2. So N is equal to 6. Option D. Next question. The standard deviation of a Poisson distribution is 2. Then the mode is how much? How will you find? What distribution? Poisson distribution. So, root m is equal to 2. M is equal to 4. Do you remember? If m is an integer, it is bimodal. Say then, if m is an integer, it is bimodal. What will be the modes? 4 comma and 4 minus 1, that is 3. Option C is the answer. Yes. What was the formula for mode in binomial distribution?
n+1 into p.
N plus 1 into p. If you get it as an integer, that integer and integer minus 1. If it is not an integer, there is decimal. That integer part is our mode. Okay. Tell me the answer.
Cost of
Consumer price index is also known as. Yes. The covariance between two variables x and y is 8.4. The variances is 25 and 36 respectively. Calculate the Pearson. What was the formula? Do you remember? Covariance of x comma y divided by sx into sy. So covariance of x comma y is how much here? 8.4 divided by 5 into 6. Variance is given, so standard deviation is root of variance 5 into 6. What is the answer? 8.4 divided by 30. 2.28. Now the next question. Yeah. When it is right angle, what is the answer? Yes. Whenever it is right angle, R value is 0. Okay. 90 degree. Just think that when it is 90 degree, our R value will be 0. Next question. If R is equal to this coefficient of non-determination, what was the formula? 1 minus R square. Coefficient of non-determination is equal to 1 minus R square. So that is equal to 1 minus 0.6. The whole square is equal to 0.64. Next question. The correlation coefficient between x and y is minus 1 by 2. The value of bxy is minus 1 by 8. Then byx. What was the formula? R is equal to root of bxy into byx. And one thing I'll tell you. Anyway, 2 won't be the answer. Why? Because both the values should be negative, then only we will take it as negative. Do you remember? Yes, either it can be minus 2 or 4. Now, look at it. So, bxy is how much? 1 by 8. So, minus 1 by 2 into minus 1 by 8 into byx. Let it be. Square both sides. That will become 1 by 4 is equal to minus 1 by 8 into byx. What is the answer? 8 will go to the other side. Answer is option A. 8 divided by 4 and a minus is also there. Answer is minus 2. Now, out of the following which affects? Yes, regression coefficient is affected only by change of scale. Change of scale means into or division. Change of origin means plus or minus. Always remember that. Next question. Can you find the answer? If y is a dependent variable and x is an independent variable, the standard deviation of x and y are 5 and 8 respectively. Coefficient of correlation between x and y is 0.8. Then the regression coefficient of y on x. How will you find it? Everything is given. Everything is given. What is the formula? What is the formula? R into sy divided by R into standard deviation of y divided by standard deviation of x. Keep a note of it, this formula. So what is the answer? R is how much here? 0.8 into standard deviation of x is how much? So y is how much? 8 divided by 5. How much is the answer? 1.28 is the answer. Okay. Next question. That I am not discussing. You know it. Next question. 3 identical dice are thrown. The probability that same number will appear on them. Yes. Total how many are there? 6 raised to 3. Then all the numbers are equal means 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 5 and 6, 6, 6. So 6 by, that is 1 by 6 square, that is 36. Option C is our answer. Am I correct? Yes. Do the next question. It's a good question. So, if 10 men among whom, this is one of the good questions from this set. Okay, you might not have think in this angle. So, that's why this is a very good question. If 10 men among whom whom are A and B stand in a row, what is the probability that there will be exactly 3 men between A and B? Now I will ask, what is the total number of arrangements? 10 people are there, that is 10 factorial. Now I am asking you one question. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If A is here and B is here, 3 men should be there in between A and B, right? So how many people are there in between them? 3. So A and B is having a fixed position, correct? They both are having fixed position. So we just need to arrange the rest of them. Rest of them can be arranged in how many ways? 8 factorial ways, right? 8 people can be arranged in 8 factorial ways. That is there. Now, one more thing. But they are telling one more condition to us. The condition is very simple. 3 men should be between A and B. So, if A is sitting there, B should be here, right? No, that is one case. Correct? 1. If A is sitting here, then B should be here, right? Second case. If A is sitting here, then B should be here. Third case. Then if A is sitting here, B should be. 3 people should be there, here. Then if A is sitting here, B should be here. Then if A is sitting here, B should be here. So 6. So 6 into 8 factorial. Is that it? What if B was sitting in this position and A was sitting there? So into 2. 6 into 2 into 8 factorial divided by 10 factorial. Got the idea? Very good question. Hopefully it will come for the exam. Yes. Did you understand it? Yes. Got the point? Any doubt? Do you understand why there is a 2? Because sometimes B will be sitting in this position, then A was sitting in this position. Got the point? We should take the ulta also. 2 times it should happen. One way and the other way. Okay? Yes. Answer is what? So that is 6 into, I'll rewrite it. 6 into 2 into 8 factorial divided by 10 factorial. 8 factorial and 10 factorial cancel. That is 9 into 10. Then 2 and 10 will get cancelled. That is 5. Then 6 and this will get cancelled. What is it? 3 and 2. What is the answer? 2 by 15. Option D is our answer. Can you find it, people? What is the formula for A by B? P of A by B is equal to, B by A is equal to, or B given A is equal to P of A intersection B divided by P of who is given? A is given. So A should come in the denominator. Then, do you know how to find A intersection B? Yes, P of A is given, P of B is given, A union B is also given. What is the formula? P of A intersection B is equal to P of A plus P of B minus P of A union B. Because I took the ulta. That's all. What is P of A? Tell me the answer. 2 by 3. Just find it in decimal itself. We'll get the answer. Let it be in decimal. We'll find it easily rather than doing LCM. Everyone is having difficulty in finding LCM, right? So find it in decimal itself. So 2 by 3 is how much? Clear the memory first. 2 divided by 3, m plus 3 divided by 5, m plus, then 5 divided by 6, m minus, and finally click MRC. You got it as 0.43 something? Yes. So 0.43333. Now 0.43333 divided by P of A was how much? 2 by 3. That means, yes, 2 divided by, so answer this divided by 3. 2 divided by 3 into MRC. You will get it as 0.289 something you will get. So which is the answer? 13? How much you got? 13 by 20. Fine. Got it? Yes. Next one. Our question. Our type of question. Yes. Odds in favor of A solving a problem is 5:7. That means P of A solving is 5 divided by 12. P P of A not solving it is 7 divided by 12. Then odds against, that means P of B complement is how much? 9 divided by 15. So P of B is how much? B solving it is 6 divided by 15. Now what is the probability that if both of them try, the question will be solved? So if one case is A will solve, B won't solve. Second case is B will solve, A won't solve. Third case is both of them will solve the question. So how will you do it? P of A into P of B complement plus P of B into P of A complement. Then finally both of them are solving P of A into P of B. What is the answer? Is it 117? That is also there, but I don't want to confuse you because we were solving all the questions in that method, right? That's why I just put it this way. Okay. Or you can do the other method also. Same method only. Yes. How much you got? 117 divided by 180. Okay. Can we go for the next one? Yes. Find the answer. A bag contains 15 1 rupee, 25 2 rupees, 10 5 rupee. If a coin is selected at random from the bank, then the probability of not selecting 1 rupee. What is the answer? Not selecting 1 rupee means 25 plus 10 divided by total how much? 25 plus 10 plus that is 15. 35 by 50. How much is the answer? 35 divided by 50 is 0.7, option B. Got it? Can we do the next one? Yes. How will you solve? If two variables x and y are related, 2x plus 3y minus 7, and the mean deviation about mean is 1 and 0.3 respectively, then the coefficient of mean deviation. What is the formula for coefficient of mean deviation? Mean deviation divided by mean into 100. They are asking mean deviation about y. Okay, coefficient of mean deviation about y. So first we should find mean deviation about y. How will you find mean deviation about y? How much is the answer? So the formula is given, x value, mean deviation about mean is given, that is 0.3. How will you find? Now, simple thing. Is mean deviation affected by scale? Scale. Only scale it is affected. Is it affected by origin? So, ignore this 7. You can take 2x plus 3y is equal to 0. Or you can take 2x is equal to 3y. Correct? Now, what are we going to find? I am ignoring the sign also. Okay, we don't need the sign. We are taking the modulus only. Then, 2x divided by 3 which is equal to y. So, x is how much? 0.3. So, y will be how much? 0.2. Substituting that we got 0.2. So, this one is 0.2 divided by mean about y. So, how will you find mean about y? Is mean affected by origin? Mean is affected by plus or minus. It is affected. So, we should substitute the value over here. X value is how much? 1. So, 2 plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. So, 3y is equal to 5. Then y is equal to 5 divided by 3. So, 5 divided by 3 into 100. What is the answer? Got the answer? Did you understand that? Always think that mean will be affected by origin. So we need to consider the constant term. While we are finding variance or something else, we don't need to consider this constant term 7. Okay. Yes. Now find the next one. Good question. Yes. How will you get it? Here, do you need to consider the 20? 20 is not needed, but we only know with respect to standard deviation. We don't know about with respect to variance. So, what is given here? X and y are related by 3x minus 4y which is equal to 20. The quartile deviation, quartile deviation is 12. Then the quartile deviation of y is how much? How will you find? 3x is equal to, take 4y. Then instead of what you will put 12?
X.
X. That means 12 into 3 divided by 4 is equal to Y. Answer is 9. 36 divided by 4, that is 9. Got the point? Yes. Now look at it. Suppose a population A has 100 observation. This is this much, and another population has. So how much is the sum added? Everyone is increased by 50. Correct? Is variance affected by origin? Variance. No, variance won't change. So VA by VB will be how much? 1. Answer will be 1. Just the use of the application. That's all. Is variance affected? No. Is mean affected? Yes. If we change each value, it will be affected. While variance, it won't be affected. Standard deviation, it won't be affected. While we multiply something, it will be affected. Okay. Now the next question. How will you find? Whenever, there is the next application I'm going to teach. Yes, whenever it is given in percentage, you will take arithmetic mean? No, we need to take geometric mean. When percentage is given, we need to take geometric mean. When rate is given, what we will take? Harmonic mean. Yes, rate of change, harmonic mean. Then percentage and all, geometric mean. Then normal numbers, what will you do? Arithmetic mean. Yes. So 100 into 200 into 300 cube root whole raised to 1 by 3, which is equal to some answer. So how will you find it? The easiest method is what? Take the option 233.3 into equal to 2 times. That means 233 per cube you are taking. How much you got? Some value you got, right? 12.1269826 something you got, right? Yes. So what are we going to do with geometric mean? So this is geometric mean, right? So one of the option is our answer. I don't know whether this option B is also the answer. We need to check now. So how will you do it? Now take the product of this. 200 into 300 into 100. How much is it? How much is it? How many zeros are there? 6 zeros are there, right? Which is equal to, if I take cube on both sides, that will be gm raised to cube, right? Or option raised to cube, right? If I take first option, 350 the whole cube, right? 350 into equal to 2 times. How much you got? 4287500. Is that the answer? Is that the answer? That is not the answer. Correct? Then try 233.33 into 123. Did you get the answer approximately equal? No. Then try 200. 200 into equal to 1 2. Yes, that is around 80 lakh, right? Then 300 will be like 90 lakh. So which is the nearest answer? 200 is our nearest answer. So option C is our answer. Yes. Got the point? Yes. Can we do the next one? Find it. Yes. How will you get it? Now my question. The variance of x is 5. Variance of x is what? 5. Find the variance of y is equal to 2 minus 3x. So we know standard deviation. We don't know variance. Always think that way. We know standard deviation. So take the square. That is coefficient square is 9. 9 into x. X is how much? 5. 9 into 5, which is equal to 45. Then the next one. Sum of the squares of deviation of a set of observation has the smallest value when the deviation is taken from arithmetic mean. Always. Do you know this? Option mean minus mode is equal to 3 into mean minus median when it is a moderately skewed distribution. Can you find the answer for me? The mean salary of a group of 40 is this much and that of 60 is this much. Find combined mean. What was the formula? N1 x1 bar plus N2 x2 bar, the whole divided by N1 plus 100, that is 100 over here. Find the value for me. N1 is 40. 40 into, take the calculator, clear the memory. 40 into 5200 m plus, then 60 into 6800. m plus, click MRC, divided by 100. How much is the answer? 6160. Now the next question. The mean weight of 15 students is this much. So the mean weight of 5 of them is 100. Then the another 5 is 125. Find the mean weight of the remaining. Can you find the answer? What is the answer? Direct. What formula we are going to use? So xc bar is equal to n1 x1 bar plus n2 x2 bar plus n3 x3 bar. Total how many are there? 15 are there. So 15 into 110, which is equal to n1 is how much? 5 into 100 plus n2 is how much? That is 5 into 125. Then plus n3 is how much? 5 into x3 bar we need to find. Can you find it? Yes. Use the calculator. Clear the memory. So 15 into 110 m plus 500 m minus 5 into 125 m minus the whole MRC, the whole divided by 5. Answer is 105. Got it? Yes. Can you do the next one? What is the formula? The difference between mean and mode is 69. The difference between mean and median is how much? What is the formula? Tell me the formula. Mean minus mode is equal to 3 into mean minus median. Median, which letter we are using? We can use any letter according to you. Yes. What is the answer? What is given over here? Mean minus mode is equal to 69 by 3 is equal to x bar minus m. What is our answer? 23. Got it? Last question. Yes. Okay. Last question. The average age of 15 students is 15 years. Out of the average age of 5 students is 14. That of 9 students is 16. Then the average age of the 15. Then the age of the 15th student is how much? Option. Same thing. Whatever we did over here, you can use that. Okay. That's all. Model test number 1. Next one will be model test number 2. That's all. Thank you. Now we are going to discuss model test paper 2, Foundation Quantitative Aptitude. How much negative marking is there, people? 0.25 negative marking is there. Now the first question. If alpha and beta are the roots of the equation x square plus 7x plus 12, then the equation whose roots are alpha plus beta the whole square and alpha minus beta the whole square will be. What is the question? How to solve this? We have this formula, right? Equation is given. We need to find alpha and beta first. That is the best method. So, my question. The product here is 12 and the sum here is how much? 3 and 4. Sum is 7 or minus 7? Sum is minus 7 or plus 7? Minus 7 is the sum. Minus 7 is the sum. What is the general formula? X square minus of sum of the root. Correct? Plus alpha beta is equal to 0 is the quadratic equation's general formula. So, what is the sum? Minus 7. So, which number will give you minus 7 and product as 12? Minus 3, minus 4. So, alpha and beta are minus 3 and minus 4. Then how will you solve? Alpha plus beta the whole square. That means minus 3 minus 4 the whole square and minus 3 plus 4 the whole square. How much is it? 49 comma 1. So the roots are 49 and 1. So which of the quadratic equation will be that? Which of the quadratic equation will be that? The sum should be 50 and the product should be 49. Look at the quadratic equation. Option C. Are you getting the tip? Yes. Now we are not even doing the minus b plus or minus thing. We are just taking product and sum. We are just using that. We are not even factorizing. Are we factorizing? No. Yes. If you cannot find the product, go for the other method. Otherwise, always go for this method itself. Now, the next question, people. Y and Z together starts a business. If X invests 3 times as much as Y, that means X is equal to 3Y. Then Y invests how much? 2 by third of z. 2 by 3 of z. Now my question is, x by 3 is equal to y by 1. Y by 2 is equal to z by 3. So x is to y is 3 is to 1. X is to y is 3 is to 1. Y is to z is 2 is to 3. So how will you find it? So 6 is to 2 is to 3. Easier? Did you get the point? Why did we do this way? Yes. So always remember, max by 40 is to LR by 20 is to stats by 40. Always keep that in mind. Then you will understand, 2 means that is the y value. 3 means that is the z value. Likewise, you will get to know. Now the next question, people, how to solve this? Now, yes. X by 3 is equal to y by 1. Y is equal to 2 by 3 of z. Correct? Yes. So now we are taking it as proper. We need to find the continued ratio. So what we have learned, for example, I'll just write it here itself. So y by z will be how much? 2 by 3. Then can I write it as y is 2 and z is 3? Same thing only, right? Whenever it is under the denominator, that's what I was starting from the beginning, max by 40. Remember, same thing. Okay. Now, try this. How to solve this? Chetan, how to solve this? What is the formula? What is the formula? Do you remember? What is it? A power 1 by 6 is equal to root 3. General formula of log. Okay. So, what will you do? Take power of 6 on both sides. That will be a is equal to root 3 the whole raised to 6. Can I write it as root 3 raised to 2 the whole raised to 6? Sorry, 3? Yes, it can be written as 3 cube. Answer is 27. Yes. Got it? Next question. Yeah, what might be the answer? No. Inside it will be 1. Log 1 will be what? Log 1 will be what? 0. I'll just write. Log of a plus log of b plus log of c is what? Log of a, b, c. That means log of p square, q square, r square divided by q is happening 2 times. That means q square, p square, r square. Everything will cancel off, which is equal to log 1, which is equal to 0. Now, Ishwar, I heard your doubt. Next question. What is the answer? Yes. Cyclic series. Always the answer is 1. There also there was a cyclic series, but it was inside the log. Log of 1 is what? 0. Log of 10 to the base 10 is what? Log of 100 to the base 10 is what? 2. Cool. Next one. A bag contains 25 paise, 20 paise and 5 paise. 25 paise, 10 paise and 5 paise. In the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. So their numbers are in the ratio 3 is to 2 is to 1. Their value will be what then? 325 paise is there, means how much will be the value? 0.75. 210 paise will be 0.2. 1 5 paise will be 0.05. According to the question, the total value is 40. But according to our answer, 0.75 plus 0.2 plus 0.05 is 40. So 1 is 40. They are asking the total number of 5 paise coins. How many number is there? 1. So 1 is 40. Answer is what? 40. Direct. Any doubt? Pandivalan, are you getting it? Yes. How is your preparation now? It's going well, right? Yes. Yes. Can I do the next one? Did you get the point?
Yes, 10 paise means 2 into 40.
Which one, da? Yeah, if they ask 10 paise, 2 into 40, 80. If they ask 25 paise, 3 into 40, that is 120. That's all. Yes. Now the next question. If I'm telling you, solve this 1000 questions, you will pass no matter what. At least by heart something. The 4 methods or step. But I'll never recommend. But if you are feeling that I don't know 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, then by heart it. Okay. You used to do that in first standard to pass your first standard. You are this much. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Then they will ask, if 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, then 1 plus 2 is what? 3. Then they will ask you one question. Then 2 plus 1 is what? You will be like, what? Steps try to by heart if you want. I'm not recommending it. If you want. Solve this 1000 question. I'm telling you, you will pass. Then, one root of this is this much is reciprocal of the other. What does that mean? Reciprocal means alpha beta is equal to 1. According to the question, the product is how much? Y divided by 5 is equal to 1. Y is equal to 5. Answer is option C. Easier? Yes. Next question. We did the same question, right? Yes. How will you do the question? Will you try to solve everything? No. We will option hit. So take option A. 2 raised to 4 into 3 raised to 2 into 5 raised to 1. How much is it? If it is equal to 720, that is our answer. Is it 720? Yes. What is the doubt? Yes. So what is happening? Reciprocal of each other. The product is the roots are reciprocal of each other. Yes. Alpha into 1 by alpha is 1 or alpha beta is equal to 1. That is the product means that instead of beta I will write on 1 by alpha. Fine now? 1 by alpha. Fine. Yes. Can we do the next one? Next one is a man wants to cut 3 lengths from a single piece of board of length 91 centimeters. So total length is how much? 91. The second length is to be 3 centimeter longer than the shortest. So there is a shortest length. Then the second length is how much? Shortest plus 3. Then the third length is twice. That means 2. Yes. So the total is equal to 91, right? If you have a length, one short length is there, medium length is there, the last one is there. So the sum of everything is 91, right? Here then any doubt in that? The sum at the end is 91. So 4s is equal to 88. S is equal to 88 by 4. That is equal to 22. Option A is our answer. Yes. Next question. Good question. It is going towards the origin. What we will do? We will just substitute 0, 0 everywhere. First option, try 0, 0. 0 less than 24. That is correct. Then 0 plus 0 greater than 16. Is that correct? No. Then it should go up. It's not happening like that. So this option is wrong. Try option B. 0 plus 0 is less than 24. 0 plus 0 is less than 16. 0 plus 0 is greater than 10. Is that true? No. Try the last one. Everything is proper. So answer is option C. Got the point? Always find a test point. If you cannot 0, 0, try take some other point. Do you remember the methods? Take some other point. Take 1, 1 or 2, 1 or 0, 10. Something like that you take. If it is satisfying, that is our answer. Next question. Here what is? Without even reading the question, you can solve it. So first letter, time. Oh, what is the case of time? Always it should be less than. What will be the answer? Less than or equal to? Yes, 220. I didn't even read the question. I'm telling you, without reading question, we can solve questions from this inequalities. Next question. What must be added to each term of the ratio 49:68 so that it becomes 3:4? How will you do it? Yes, try adding 3 to. So 3 by 4 is how much? Take the calculator. Find 3 by 4. 3 divided by 4 is 0.75. 3 divided by 4 is equal to 0.75. So add first option to the 49. That means 52 divided by 671. How much is it? 0.73. Is that equal to 0.75? No. Try say option B. That is 54 divided by 73. How much is it? 0.73. Yes. Then try 8. 8 will be 57 divided by 76. Yes, 0.75. Option C is our answer. You understood the method, right? Always don't try to make it into the ratio and cancel off things, because you will not. At that moment, you will be thinking, oh, is it divisible by 13, 17, 18? You won't be able to cancel off. Just simplify it during the exam time. Now the next one. Find the future value of annuity for 1000 rupees made annually for 7 years at the interest rate of 16% compounded annually. Yes. What is the method? What is the formula? This is a revision time also, right? Formula is what? FP is equal to A by I into 1 plus I, the whole raised to n minus 1. So my question is it annuity regular or annuity due? Regular. Why is it annuity regular? Nothing is mentioned, so we will take it as annuity regular. Now, I value is how much here, people? 16. That is 0.16. So what we will do? What is given? A is 1000. That means 1000 divided by 0.16 into 1.16, the whole raised to 7 minus 1. Everything is given in the question. So try that. Did you get the answer? How much is the answer? Option. Chetan, are you trying? Yes. How much is the answer? Good. Option A. Good. Next question. Oh, nice. What are they asking people? Assuming the discount rate is 7%, how much would you pay to receive 500 growing 5% annually forever? What is the formula? Perpetuity is equal to A by I minus G. What are you going to find? A is how much? 500 divided by 0.02. How much is it? 25. Option A. Next question. Rajesh deposit 3000 at the start. Start means what? Annuity due or annuity immediate each quarter in his savings account. Okay. So he is depositing 3000 at the start of each quarter in his saving account. If the account earns 5.75% per annum compounded quarterly, how much money will he have, or will he have at the end of 4 years? At the end of 4 years, how much he will get? So, what is he going to do? What type of thing is doing? What are we going to do? Future value of what? Annuity due. What is the formula? What is the formula? A by I into 1 plus I, the whole raised to n minus 1 into 1 plus. Can you solve it? Everything is given by I is how much? I is equal to how much? 5.75 divided by 400. That is how much? Okay. Oh? Per annum compounded quarterly. Oh, it is already given. Everything is given that you are telling. Yeah. Everything is given. Yes. How much you got? Option A. Next question. The annual rate of simple interest 12%. How many years does the principal doubles? That means 100 is becoming 200. Total simple interest here is 100. So how will you find the time? 100 divided by 12.5. That is how much? 8 years. So total simple interest divided by the rate of interest will give you the time. Yes. So that is 8 years. Next question. Any doubt in that? 5,000 is paid every year, 10 years to be paid of a loan. Loan means what? Whenever we see loan, borrow or anything, what we will find? Present value. What is the loan amount of interest rate be? 14% per annum compounded annually. What are we going to find? Present value. Present value is equal to, what are we going to do? Our method is what? 1 plus 0.14, that is 1.14 divide equal to how many times? 10 times equal to, then GT button, multiply it with 5,000. What is the answer you got? Option B. Yes. GT. Done? Can we go for the next one? Yes. 800 is invested. Oh, this question. Okay, fine. 800 is invested at the end of each month. The end of each month means annuity, regular. Account paying interest of 6% per annum. Compounded monthly. Monthly means what? Monthly means divided by 1200. That is 5%, 6% divided by 12. We will convert it into decimal 100. Yes. So how much you got it as? 0.005. 0.005. But n value is how much? after the 10th payment. So n is 10. We will not multiply it with 12. It is 10th payment they are telling. So n value is 10. What are we going to find? What are we going to find? Future value. Future value formula is a by I into 1 plus I, the whole raised to n minus 1. Can you substitute? Everything is given. This is given. Minus 1 is given. Then a by I is also given. Everything else is there. Can you find the answer? How much you got?
D.
Option 18176. Huh? Okay. Then the next question. Certain sum of money borrowed at simple interest. So there is our star. Star is becoming 2688 in how many years? 3 years. And the star is also becoming 2784 in how many years? 4 years. That means the difference here is how much? 1 year. So interest, simple interest for 1 year is how much? 96. Simple interest for 1 year is 96. They are asking the star value. How will you find star value? 2688 minus how many years? 3 into 96. How much is it? 2400. Now how will you find the rate of interest? 96 divided by 2400 into 100. How much is it, people? 4%, huh? Yes. Fine. Got it? Yes. Now the next one. Oh, good question. Ravi made an investment of 15,000 in a scheme, and at the end of maturity time, the maturity amount was 25,000. If the compound annual growth rate CAGR for the investment is 8.88%. Usually what happened? In all our question, we were finding CAGR. And the n value, everything is given. That was the case, right? Here, CAGR itself is given. Then what is happening? Calculate the approximate number of years for which the invested amount. Okay, he has invested the amount. How will you find? I'll ask you one question. What was our shortcut method for finding CAGR? Option 1 plus option is equal to Vn divided by V0 the whole raised to, or Tn minus T0. That we can take it as Tn itself right here. That was our formula, right? What is this option, people? Option is simply but CAGR, right? Option is nothing but CAGR. Now can you find the answer?
6 years. 6.
How much you got? Try. One second, I'll just keep my formula book also in the other, so that we can always refer. Fine. Yes. How much you got? How much you got?
6 years.
6 years you got? Everyone got 6 years? Vn by V0 is how much? I'm just asking you. Vn by V0 is how much?
1.66.
1.666. So which is giving that value? Got it? It will be right hand side will be 1.888, which is equal to Vn by V0 is how much? Okay. Fine. Yes. Look at the next question. The present value of annuity which pays 200. Okay, what are we going to find? Present value of, okay, let's see, at the end of 3 months, for 10 years, assuming money to be worth 5% converted quarterly. So, I value is how much here, people? 5 divided by 400. I is how much? 5 divided by 400. Always use calculator with left hand. I'm telling you, answer is 0.0125. Yes. So 1.0125. Then divide equal to. Then equal to how many times?
40 times.
40 or 30 times?
40.
40 times. Yes, perfect. 40 times. We did the same problem yesterday in MTP 1. Mock test paper 1, we did the same thing. Yes. So, 40 times. Right. How much you got? You might get something in 6,000 range, I guess. Yes. So, the answer is what? None of these. Got it? Then click GT. Multiply it with 200. Yes. Answer is none of this. There the option, there was one option called as 6,800 something that was there. So we went for that option. Yes. Now, next question. Rajesh invests 20,000 per year in a stock index fund which earns 9% per year. For the next 10 years, what would be the closest value of accumulated investment upon payment of the last investment? What are they asking? Future value they are asking. What is the formula for future value? You know that A by I into 1 plus I the whole raised to n minus 1. Yes. Is it annuity regular or annuity due?
Regular.
Annuity regular. Why? It is called as, nothing is mentioned, last installment only it's given. Yes. How did you get? A is how much?
20,000.
20,000 divided by 0.09 into
1.0.
1.36736. I minus 1 from that. Okay. How much you got? Option B. Everyone got B? Okay. Perfect. Next one. An investment is earning compound interest 100 in the year invested in the year 2 accumulated to the 105 by the year 4. If 500 invested in the year 5 will become dash by year 10. How will you solve this? Good question. So they are telling an investment is earning compound interest 100 invested in the year 2 accumulated to 105 by year 2. What is the formula for amount? A is equal to P into 1 minus I the whole raised to n. Correct? Yes, correct? Yes. Here n value is how much? For the first case, 4. From second year it is going to fourth year. That means how many gap is there? 2 years. So n should be 2. So 1 plus I the whole raised to 2 is there. Then A value is how much? 105 is equal to 100 into 1 plus I the whole square. Let it be there. Okay. Let it be there. Now my question. 500 invested in the year 5 will become 100 by which case? That is the next question they are asking. How will you solve this? So 500. So an amount A is there. So P is how much? 500 into 1 plus I the whole raised to how much? 5. Yes. Get me the answer. How will you solve it? As a human, how will you solve it? First find 105 divided by 100 which is equal to 1 plus I the whole square. 1 plus I is equal to how much? Root of 105 divided by 100 is how much? 1.05. Take the root. How much you got? Some value you got, right? 1.0. Whatever is there in the calculator, just write it there itself. Don't do anything else. Which just keep it there itself. Then into equal to how many times we should take here? 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. How much is it? 1.129 something is there. Keep it in the calculator itself. Multiply it with how much? 500. How much is the answer? Option B. Did you understand the method? Got the idea? Yes. So don't panic. Don't go and find the value of I and all. Don't waste your time. We don't want I. We only want 1 plus I. Am I correct? Wherever we go, we always want what? 1 plus I. Yes. Any doubt in that? So A is equal to 564.80. Now the next question. An investor is saving to pay off an obligation of 15250 which will due in 7 years. If the investor is earning 7.5% simple interest rate per annum, he must deposit dash to meet the obligation. What is the question? Hey, simple interest da, simple interest. Simple interest, where is the annuity there? Simple interest, what is the formula? Amount is equal to P plus SI. A is equal to how much? According to the question, what is the amount he need to accumulate? 15250, which is equal to P into PRT percentage. Correct? So P is common. P into 1 plus RT percentage. Now, can you find it? Find the value of 1 plus RT percentage. So first find RT percentage. R is how much, people? 7.5 into how many years? 7 years. Then click percentage sign. Then plus 1. How much is it? 1.525 you got, right? Which will be P into 1.525. But the easiest method is what? Click, divide, equal to. Multiply it with 15250. How much is the answer? 10,000. Got it? Yes. Just calculator. Don't even write. I'm telling you. Just calculate and use it with the left hand. If you are a left-hander, use it with right hand. Should be like this. Just do this. Yes. Next one. First option, huh? So the value of scooter is 1 lakh. Find its depreciation in 10%. Find its depreciation in 10% per annum. Calculate total depreciation value at the end of 7 years. What is the formula? A is equal to P into 1 minus I, the whole raised to N. Here P value is how much? 1 lakh. 1 lakh into 1 minus I is how much? 0.9. The whole raised to how much? 7. First find 0.9 into equal to how many times? 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Multiply it with 1 lakh. How much you got? 4, 7, 8, 2, 9. Option A is the answer. Got it? Yes.
Principle.
What is the formula of ERI? ERI is equal to 1 plus I, the whole raised to N minus 1. That is all right. Percentage ERI is into 100. Let it be there. So here who is not there? Principal is not there. Everyone else is there. So print is not dependent on principal. Now the next question. Very good question. Can you give me the answer? I'll give you 1 minute to solve it. Yes. 1 minute is there. Can you solve it for me? Oh, where is the time now? Good. Think logically. You will get the answer. 30 seconds more. Twenty seconds more. Last 10 seconds. Yes, done. So what is given here, people? How many points are there in total? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 12 points are there in total. But they are telling 7 of them are lying on the same line. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 are lying on the same line. Then rest will be how much? 5 are there, right? So they can lie somewhere else also, right? For example, they can lie like this. Am I correct? Anywhere. They can lie like this. They are not collinear or anything. They can randomly assume. Now my question. What all ways you can? So a triangle has how many vertices? 3 edges are there. 3 points are there at the edge. So how will you solve? One chance, one choice or one case is I can choose 2 points from this collinear line and 1 point from an upper line. Correct? Sorry, upper point, which is not collinear. That means it will be a triangle, right? 2 points from collinear. That means 7C2 into how many non-collinear are there? 5C1. Correct? Plus or I can take yes 1 point from collinear and 2 points from non-collinear. That means it will also be a triangle, right? That means 7C1 into 5C2. Or I can completely ignore him, right? The collinear one. I can take 3 non-collinear points. So it will be what? 5, 5, C3. Now you will ask me, sir, why can't we draw with a collinear? Can we do? With a line, can we make a triangle? We need to break the line. Correct? Yes. So that is not possible. That's why it is 5C3. Can you find the answer for me? Did you understand it? Yes, it's a variety question. So the chance is good. What if they ask? Yes. 185, 7C2 into 5C1. 5C1 is how much, people? Yes. 5C1 is 5. 7C2 is how much? 21. 21 into 5 is 105. Plus 7C1 is 7. 5C2 is how much? 7C2 is how much? Sorry, 5C2 is how much? 10. That means 7 into 10 is 70. Plus 5C3 is how much? How much is the answer? 185. Did you get the point? And one more good question is there in this particular model test. Why I chose model test 2 is, today to solve model test 2 is because good questions, perfect questions are there from, variety questions are there from model test 2. Okay, others are just repetition. Everything is repeated. Now the next one. 5 bulbs of which 3 are defective are to be tied. Let it be tied. Tied in 2 light points in a dark room. So what is a room? There is a dark room. Correct? Yes, I'll bring a sticker for you if you want. Hopefully there is a bulb. No, there is no bulb. Sad. You want ice cream? Okay, fine. Now, there is a dark room. Dark room means 5 bulbs of which 3 are defective. 3 are defective, correct? Now, 2 light points are there. In 2 light points in a dark room, how many trials the room shall be lightened? So how many are defective? 3 are defective. So what are the possibilities? How many trials it will be? It will be lightened. That is the question, right? Yes.
Like 1 defective, 1 non-defective, and
1 defective,
1 non-defective.
1 non-defective. Both are defective. Then will it be lightened?
Like 1 defective, 1 non-defective, plus both are non-defective.
Plus both are not defective.
At
Correct.
least 1 non-defective.
So the question is what? In how many trials will the room be lightened? 5 bulbs are there, 3 are defective. How many are defective? 3 are defective. How many light points are there? 2 are there. Think again, think. You'll get the answer. Think logically. 7 7 Yes, how did you get it?
Like 2C1 3C1 plus 2C2.
Okay, our aim is what? Our aim is to solve the problem. Do you remember? Our aim is to solve the problem. So, at least one of the light should be defective or effective. So, at least one light should be non-defective. That means in the first case, so out of the 5 bulbs,
1 can be
1 can be, how much, how is that? 3C1 into 2C1 plus means or. So 2C2 because both are non-defective, too much light is there. Got the point? In the first case, 1 is lighting, 1 light is there. Okay, so what is the answer? 3C2 into 6 plus 1 which is equal to 7. Option C is our answer. I think you guys understood it. Okay, it's about just whenever you see questions like this, think about hitting a target. Do you remember the probability thing which I taught you? Same concept you can use in combination also. Next question. In how many ways can a party of 4 men and 4 women be seated in a circular table so that no 2 men? What is the formula? 3 factorial n minus 1 factorial into big 4 factorial. Since it is circular, that's why. Okay, what is the answer? 144. Next question. How many ways how many words can be formed from the letters of the word Oriental so that A and E always occupy odd position? How many letters are there in total? 8 letters, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 letters are there in total. And they are telling us that A and E only should occupy odd position. Which are the odd position? 1, 3, 1, 3, 1, 3, 5 and 7 are the odd position. So 4, C or P. Arrangement is what? Permutation.
8, 6, 4. Into 2, sir.
Why 2?
2 letters are there.
We are taking the entire thing. The 2 is already taken when we are taking 4p2. Yes.
Option C.
And what is the answer?
8, 6, 4.
Yes, 8640. What is the formula for permutation? 4 factorial divided by 2 factorial. Okay, next question. Very good question.
30.
Very good question. How many ways of painting the faces of a cube by 6 different colors? Do you know a cube? How will a cube look like? How will a cube look like? You will write 3. Yes, die. So this is a cube. How many colors we have? We have 6 colors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and finally 6. 6 colors are there. They are asking how many ways we can color a cube using 6 different colors. But are they telling us anything regarding the first color or anything? No, they are not telling anything. So I am just telling you guys that I am coloring the first color, first face with green. So the first choice is green. So that is fixed, right? Now how many choices are remaining? 5 choices are remaining. How many colors are there? Into how many faces are there? 6 are there. So 5 into 6 is how much? 30. Did you get the point? Did you get the point? First one we are choosing. We don't know we are starting with what. So we will finalize that I am starting with the green color. So I painted it already. Then number of ways of arranging the rest 5 is only there. 5p1. Got it? 5 is there. Then how many faces are there in total? 6. So 6 into 6. 5 into 6 is how much? 30. Answer is 30. Or in a cube, right, there is a even difficult concept. There are 24 circular arrangements in a cube. 24 circular arrangement. How many faces are there in total? 6 faces. So how much is 6 factorial? 720. 720 divided by 24 is how much?
30.
30. That is also there, but you never learned that concept. That's why I am not going with that. Okay, next one. Can you solve it? Sum of an AP whose first is -4, last is 146 and sum is how much? Sn is equal to 7171. Find the value of n is the question. What is the formula for Sn? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. First term plus last term into n by 2. Sn is how much? 7171. Which is equal to n by 2 into a is how much? -4 plus 146. How will you find the answer? So -4, 146 minus 4 divided by 2 divide equal to multiply it with 7171. How much is the answer? 1 not? 1 is the answer. Did you get the point? Just calculations. Next one. Geometric progression. In a geometric progression, the second term is how much? That means a into r is how much? 12. Sixth term is how much? 192. That means ar raised to 5 is 192. Then find the 11th term. Before that, we need to find the value of a and r. How will you find the value of a and r? This formula, this equation and this equation is there, right? 2 divided by 1. That means what will remain? AR raised to 5 divided by AR. AA will cancel. R and 1 of the R will cancel. Then R raised to 4 is equal to 192 divided by 12 is how much, people? 16. So R raised to 4 is 16. Then R will be how much? 2. 2 raised to 4 is 16, right? So R is 2. Then we need to find the value of A. A is how much? A is equal to A into 2 is equal to 12. So A is equal to 6. Now we need to find what? 11th term. A R raised to 10 is equal to how much is the question? So R raised to 10 first find. So 2 into equal to how many times? 9 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Into A is how much? 6. What is the answer, people?
614.
6, 1? Yes. Got the idea? Got it? Everyone understood? Yes. Next question. The first and last term of an arithmetic progression are 5 and 905 respectively. Sum is given. Same question repeated. So what is the formula? Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus an. So Sn is how much? 45955, which is equal to n by 2 into a plus an is 5 plus 910. So find the answer. How much is the answer?
Not one.
1 not?
Not one.
101.9999 you got? 100.99, huh? Then 101. Let's try again. 101 divided by 2 divide equal to multiply it with 45955. How much is it? 101. Yes, 101 is the answer. Try again. Yes. Now the next question. Sum of 8 terms of a GP is 5 times. That means yes, 8 is equal to 5 times the sum of S4. Is it AP or GP? GP. In GP, what is the formula for sum of the terms? A into R raised to n minus 1 divided by R minus 1. R raised to n is how much here? 8 minus 1 divided by R minus 1, which is equal to 5 into A into R raised to 4 minus 1 divided by R minus 1. A cancel, R minus 1 cancel. Then what is given over here? Can I write this R raised to 8 minus 1 as R raised to 4 square minus 1 square?
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Okay, it is R raised to 4, the whole square. That is R raised to 8, right? 1 square is how much? 3, 2, okay, 1. 1 square is 1 itself, which divided by, can I bring that R raised to 4 to this side? R raised to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 5. Now my question is, A square minus B square is how much?
A plus B, A minus
A plus B into A minus B. So R raised to 4 and R raised to 4 will get cancel off, right? Sorry, R raised to 4 minus 1 and R raised to 4 minus 1 will get cancel off. How will you write this stuff? You can write it as R raised to 4 minus 1 into R raised to 4 plus 1. Will anyone stop you from doing that? No. Divided by R raised to 4 minus 1, which is equal to 5. R raised to minus 1. Sorry, R raised to 4 minus 1, R raised to 4 minus 1, cancel. What is remaining? R raised to 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. R raised to 4 is equal to 4. Then R will be how much, people? Square root of 2. Got it? Yes. Next question. Can you find it? If the sum of n terms of an AP is Sn square minus n, its common difference is 6. Then its term, they are asking its term, mainly they are meaning first term. How will you find the first term? S1 is equal to A1, right? Do you remember? S1 is equal to how much? 3 minus
2. So 3 minus 1 is equal to
2. Answer is how much? They are asking what is first term only, right? If first term is the question, they didn't mention it clearly. If the first term is the question, 2 is the answer. If second term is the question, how will you do it?
minus.
Common difference is given as 6. 2 plus 6 is how much? 8. Yes. Everything is given. So they have asked for first term. So we are doing that. They have not mentioned first term. So that we are finding the first term. Okay. Now the next question. Two finite sets have m and n elements. The number of subset of first is 56 more than the total number of subset of the second set. The value of m and n are, what is the question? What is the formula for subset? 2 raised to x, right? So 2 raised to m is equal to how much? 2 raised to n plus 56. Am I correct? What will you do next? We will did the question in the marathon also. What is it? Option hit. Take first option. 2 raised to 6 is equal to 2 raised to 3 plus 56. If LHS is equal to RHS, that's our answer. Is it equal to RHS? 2 raised to 6 is how much? 64. 2 raised to 3 is how much? 8. 8 plus 56 is equal to 64. LHS is equal to RHS. Option A is our answer. Got it? Yes. Solve it. Inverse we need to find. So f of p is given, which is equal to 1 minus 1 by p. How will you find inverse? Put this as y. Y is equal to 1 by 1 minus p. Solve for p. So y minus yp is equal to 1. So y is common. 1 minus p is equal to, sorry, p. We need to solve for p only, right? What am I doing? Yes. So we will take what to the other side? Y to the other side and this to this side. That is y minus 1 divided by y is equal to p. How will you find inverse? Replace y with p and p with f inverse of p. Y with p and option. What is the answer? Option B. Oh. This is the shortcut. Yes. But if you teach too much about this, when you change the letters, right? X, Y, Z, sometimes they will keep Q, Y, Z and all. That time you can get confused. That's why I didn't teach the shortcut for this. This is the easiest. Go for this itself. Yes. Replacing it, then replacing it back. Can we go for the next one? Now, what are we going to do? Determine f of x. F dash x is given. That means, how will you find f dash x? Sorry, f of x from f dash x. Integrate it. Integral 12x square minus 4x. How much is the value? 2 in 12 into. Integral of x square is how much? X cube divided by 3 minus 4 into x square divided by 2 plus c. How much is it? 4x cube minus 2x square plus c. So my question is, f of minus 3 is 17. So f of x is equal to this much. So f of minus 3 will be how much? 4 into 3 cube is how much? 27 minus 2 into 3 square is how much? 2 into 9 is 18 plus c. So f of minus 3 is how much as per the question? 17. Can you solve the value of c? How much is the value of c? C is equal to, yes, tell me. Minus 143, yes. 4 into 27 is some value. How much is it? 4 into 27. Take the calculator. 4 into 27 minus 18.
90.
You are getting into 73? Did we go wrong anywhere? Oh, it is minus 3, right? So it will be minus 4 into 27. Yes. Minus 27. Minus 3 cube is how much? Minus 27 only, right? Cube. 143. Minus 143 or plus 143? Is it? Think again. Plus 143. Plus 143. Answer is? Which is the right answer? Option A is the answer. Now the next question. Can you solve this? Do you remember? What is the ILATE form, you remember? Yes, ILATE form is what? Priority should be given to algebraic, then last priority only should be given to exponential. What was the method? First function into integral of the second. Integral of e raised to x is how much? E raised to x minus derivative of this d by dx of x is how much? 1 into integral of this. How much is it? E power x plus derivative of this is how much? 0. Derivative of that is 0. So it will get over there itself. X e raised to x minus e raised to x. And the limit is from 0 to 1. Apply the limit. 1 into e raised to 1 minus e raised to 1 minus of 0 will become 0. Then minus of minus will become plus. E raised to 0 is any number raised to 0 is 1. Answer is. So this will get cancelled. So answer is 1, option B. Any doubt? I'm telling you, just study few things from integration and differentiation. That is good. Questions are always the basic one. The repeated question are asked every time. And then what is the tangent? How will you find slope of a tangent? Take the derivative. What is the formula for tangent? Y minus y1 is equal to m into x minus x1. If the points are given, just substitute the points. You will get the answer. Now, find the value of this people. What is the answer? Can you tell me the answer? How will 6 become 13 plus 7? How will 13 become 12? Sorry, 25 plus 12. So, but is there any method? Can you find anything? Other than that, if you think 6 into 2 plus 1, 13 into 2 minus 1, 25 into 2 plus 1, then 51 into 2 minus 1, then the last one will be into 2 plus 1. How much is it? 2 naught. Got the point? Is that clear? Yes. Next question.
Plus 5 minus 2. Minus 2.
Minus 2 plus 2 da. Sorry. Minus 2, sorry. Plus 5 minus 2. Plus 5 minus 2. Plus 5 minus 2. Answer is 37. Okay. Got it? Next one. This question, same question I think we did yesterday. What is happening? T is becoming V means what? TUV, that is plus 2. E is becoming G. EFG plus 2. A is becoming C plus 2. Everything is plus 2. So, what will be the case? We will do it from the N plus 2 is how much? O, P. Which one is giving P? We can ignore it. E plus 2 is how much? FG. We can ignore this. Ignore this. Answer is option D. Okay? Yes. Got the point?
Yes.
Next one. Can you find it? In certain code language, 256 means books are old. Then 546 means man is old. Then 378 means buy good books. What stands for R in the code? Where is R there? Here. So we will see books means what? Books is common in 253 and 378. So 3 is book. So we can ignore that. Correct? Then 3 is older. 3 is book only. 378 and 253. That means we can ignore 3. Correct? Yes. Now, books is there, then old is there. Where is old? Old is there in 546 and 253. That means 5 is ignored. So answer is how much? 2. Got it? Did you get the point? Always find the common people, eliminate them. What I did here, first I found, okay, 3 is there. So, books is there in first and last, correct? So, what number is common in both of it? 3. That means 3 is book, right? We ignored that. Then, old is there in first and second. What number is common there? 5. So, I ignored 5. Then, which one is the left one? Left one is R. So, R is what? 2. Yes, you can always do like that. Next question. Tell me. How are you doing it? Yes.
Before letter, sir.
Yes is becoming R. How will S become R?
Before letter.
Minus 1. Then how will U become U?
U is
Then how will M become N?
next letter.
Next letter plus 1 plus 1. Correct? Then E and R is as it is. So what is the answer?
VIO.
VIO. Got the point? Yes. Solve the question. From home, Neha goes towards north. Where is she going? Towards north. for her college. And then she take a left turn. Left turn means which one? Yes. Then she take a right turn. That means north. Then she turns left again and reach the college. So this is the college and this is her house. So in which direction her college is situated with respect to home? Answer is north. Correct? Yes. Next question. Y is to the east of x. So y is to the east of x. That means x is the reference point. Y is to the east of x. Then what is given? X is to the north of z. So z will be up or down. North of z. From z, x is north direction. Now, P is to the south of z. P is to the south of z means up or down. P is to the south of z means P is down. Then, P is in which direction with respect to y? With respect to y, which direction? Southwest direction. Did you get the point? Verma, are you listening? Yes. Next one. 5 villages. P, Q, R, S, T are situated to each other. P is to the west of Q. What is there? P is to the west of Q. Correct? Then R is to the south of P. R is to the south of P. T is to the north of Q. T is to the north of Q. S is to the east of T. S is to the east of T. R is in which direction with respect to S? What is the answer? Southwest. Got the point? Yes. One by one, decode and draw. This question, actually, usually we will get some questions with respect to the distance and all. Then nothing is there. Just drawing only we can do. Every question is direct. Now, if southwest becomes north, how is our normal direction? This is our normal directions, right? Okay. In the normal direction, southwest is this much. This is southwest. Correct? Whatever I represent here is southwest. So they are telling southwest is becoming north. Then northeast will become what?
South.
Northeast will become south only. Yes. So usually we draw this way, right? This is north, this is south, this is what? This is east, this is west. Then southwest is becoming what? According to this question, southwest is becoming, whatever is represented in green is becoming north. Then they are asking northeast. Usually northeast is towards this side, whichever is represented in black. But they are telling now northeast is becoming what? Opposite of north is what? The south. So it is becoming south. Okay, got the point? Yes. Next one. In a clock at 12:30, our needle is towards the north direction. So draw the clock. What is happening? At 12:30, what will happen during 12:30? Our hand is towards,
North.
yes. Then minute hand is towards down. Okay, south. Likewise it will be. Now, but they are telling what? Our hand is towards north direction. It is very direct question. It is north direction. Then this is south. This will be east. This will be west. Direct question. Then they are asking in which direction will be the minute hand. It is 12:45. 12:45 means it should be towards here. So answer is west. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Next one. 5 students are standing in a circle. Abhinav is between Alok and Ankur, and Apurva is left of Abhishek. Alok is on the left of Apurva, who is sitting next to Abhinav on the right. How will you find? So is anything given? Is it they are looking towards the center or outside the center? Mohit, are you listening? Yes. What happened? Fine. Yes. How will you solve this? How many people are there in total? 5 people are there. Correct? 5 people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let it be like that. They are telling Abhinav is sitting between Alok and Ankur. Apurva is on the left of Abhishek. Left of Abhishek means immediate left. We don't know whether it is immediate left or not. First we will take one assumption. Abhinav. Let Abhinav be here. Abhinav is here. is between Alok and Ankur. That is one of our assumption. If this is not correct, we will draw the other way. Okay. Then Apurva is on the left of Abhishek. So they are looking towards, automatically we will take, they are looking towards the center because nothing is given. Apurva is to the left of Abhishek means Abhishek should be here and Apurva should be here. Correct? Then Alok is on the left of Apurva. Correct. Our drawing is correct. Yes. Now who is sitting next to Abhinav on the right? What is the answer? Alok. Got it? Okay. Got it? Any doubt in this? What if our drawing was wrong? We will draw the next one. So usually what you can do is always draw two circles. Keep Ankur on the top and Alok on the bottom. That way also you can always try. Okay. Next one. 6 persons M, N, O, P, Q, R are sitting in 2 rows with 3 persons in each row. How many people? 1, 2, 3 are sitting both sides. 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is there. Both the rows are front of each other. Q is not at end of any row. Then P is second to the left of R. That means from that we can tell that they are at the same line and they are at the end. Then O is neighbor of Q. O is neighbor of Q and diagonally opposite to P. Who is diagonally opposite to P?
O.
Yes, O is diagonally opposite to P. I am just assuming one. I am drawing one thing. If O is sitting here, P will be sitting where? P is diagonally opposite. Then what is happening? P is second to the left of R. Is this correct? They are looking towards south. So correct. R is here. P is second to the left because they are looking to the south. Okay. Think that way. They are looking to the south. Now what is happening? O is neighbor of Q. Then Q should be where? Middle. Then who is there? N is neighbor of R. N should be here. Then who is next? M is there. Anything told about M? No. So who is sitting opposite to N? Q is sitting opposite to N. Is any point where not coming with respect to this? No, right? Everything is perfect, right? Next question. A, P, R, X, Z are sitting in a row. S and Z are in the center. How many people are there? 3, 6 are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, finally 6. S and Z are in the center. A and P are at the ends. R is sitting left of A. So usually, are they looking towards south or north? North. When nothing is given, we will assume it as north itself. So where will be the position of A? This or this? R is sitting left of A means A should be here. Correct? Then what is it?
S and Z middle.
A and P are at the end. So P should be here. Then what is it? S and Z are in the center. So S and Z are somewhere over here. Then R
is left of.
R is sitting in the left of A. So R will be here. Anything else is given? X is where?
Right of P.
Yes. So what is the question? X is the answer. If nothing is not validating our point, our drawing is correct. If some point is telling that our drawing is wrong, then redraw it. Okay? Yes. They didn't ask a question. If they asked, who is sitting left of S? We cannot confirmly say that because SZ or ZS also can be the possibility, right? Yes. Next question. 5 friends A, B, C, D, E are standing in a row facing south. Important. Huh? In that case, the options will be like that. Either or this, either as X or this will be the case. Okay. Yes. 5 friends A, B, C, D and E are standing in a row facing south. But not necessarily in the same order. Only B is between A and E. So I am just drawing one. B is between A and E. Or it will be like, correct? Possibilities, 2 possibilities. Now, C is immediate right of E. C is immediate right. So they are looking towards what direction? South only. Immediate right means. Is the first one possible? First one possible? No, first one is not possible because C is immediate right. C is immediate right means here. Then what else is given? E and D are immediate left of A. D is immediate left of A. Where will be the position of D? Correct? CE, bad. Okay. What is the answer? On the basis of the information, which of the following is definitely true? B is to the left of A. Is that correct? No, it is to the right of A. They are looking towards south. D is third to the left of E. D is third to the left of E. Is that correct? Yes. B is on the right of, that is not true. Correct. Next question. There are 4 children P, Q, R, S sitting in a row. P occupies seat next to Q, but not next to R. Then, if R is not sitting next to S, who is occupying the seat next to S?
P and Q.
Tell me.
P and Q.
P and Q, huh? How many people are there in total? 4 people. Only 4 gaps are there to fill. So P occupies a seat next to Q, but not next to R. So where will be R sitting? Here. Then what else is there? If R is not sitting next to S, so where will S sit? S will sit next to P. Then who is occupying the seat adjacent to S?
P and Q.
Adjacent to S, da. Adjacent. Adjacent means what? Right next. Who is it? P is only there. Okay. Yes.
Adjacent means not next to 2 terms.
No. Next, they will ask next 2 terms. Adjacent means right next. If it is a circular arrangement, then you can. Yes. Now look at it. B is the brother of A. Got it? What is it? B is the brother of A, whose only sister is mother of C. So, what is given? The question is not clear here.
A sister is.
Some people will think that a normal person who is reading the question.
Sir, B's sister is mother of C, sir.
But who is A then?
B's sister, sir.
Yes. There should have been, for example, B is the brother of A, whose only sister is mother of C. If there was a comma over here, we would have wrote one more thing over here. Someone else. Yes. But the question is, B is the mother of A and is the only sister. B is the brother of A. Who is the sister? Okay. Who is the sister?
Daughter.
So actually what they are trying to imply here is A is the sister itself. Okay. Yes. The question is not properly given in the question. Okay. Yes, correct. Then mother is that. Then who is it? C. C is
having a mother, sir.
yes. D is the maternal grandmother. That means D is this. What is it? How is A related to D? Dot. Yes. Got it? Yes. X plus Y means X is the mother of Y. Y minus Y means X is the brother of Y. X percentage Y means X is the father of Y. X into Y means X is the sister of Y. Which of the following shows that A is the maternal uncle of B? Try one by one. Take option A. B. C minus A means what? C minus A means C is the brother of A. Then D into C means D is the sister of C. Then B plus D means B is the mother of D. Does that mean that he is the maternal uncle of B? No, that is wrong. Try the next one. P minus D percentage A. D percentage A means what?
D is the father of.
D is the father of A. Then B minus D means B is the does that mean maternal uncle? No, that is paternal uncle. That is also not right. Try D into B. D into B means what? D into B means D is the sister of B. Then C plus D. C plus D means C is the mother of B. Then A minus C. A is the brother of. Yes. Now is it correct? Yes. Option C is the correct answer. Now solve the next question. Nice question. Solve it. Anita is the niece of Pradeep's mother. Huh? Niece means what? Brothers or sisters? Daughter. Daughter. Okay? Yes. Brothers or sisters? Daughter. Nephew means brother or sister's son. Okay? Yes. Who is more problematic, son or daughter? Very young. When I mean very young, not in other way. Okay? Yes. Son, right? Phew. Okay. It's too disturbing, right? That time they'll disturb you. Then yes. Who is less problematic? Yes. Oh, okay. Oh, hey, keep quiet. Don't talk. Anita is the niece of Pratik's mother. Let it be there. I am not writing anything. So Pratik is there. Correct? Pratik is there. Then Pratik's mother is there. Mother is there. Then who else is there? Anita's mother is Pratik's aunt. What does that mean? If Anita is there, Anita's mother is there, then Pratik's mother will be the sister of Anita's mother. Then Rohan is Anita's mother's brother. That means Rohan will come over here and the gender is male. Rohan's mother is Anita's grandmother. That means yes, true. Good. Rohan's mother is Anita's grandmother. From which, okay, what is the answer? Rohan's mother is Anita's dash to Anita's mother. Rohan's mother is the mother. Rohan's mother is the, hey, Rohan's mother. Rohan's mother is Anita's mother only. They are siblings. Then Pratik's and Anita's mother are sisters. There is no relation. Next one. Rohan is Pratik's brother. Who told brother? Rohan is Pratik's nephew. Rohan is over here. Maternal uncle. Maternal uncle. Okay, cool. Now we are going to the last 40 question. And it will be yes. Yes. For profit distribution, we are using normal distribution of bell-shaped curve. Correct? Then median mode is using frequency polygon. Oh, gives. You remember partition and median from where we are taking it? Yes. Let's stand right. Then frequency density. What is the answer? Frequency to glass length. Then do you remember one thing I told you? If you see statistic in the option, answer is what? Whatever with statistic. Standard deviation of statistics. Standard deviation of statistics. That is the answer. That's why it is there. Yes. Can you solve this? In a group of persons, average weight is 60. If the average of males and females are taken separately, 60, 80 kg and 50 kg respectively, find the ratio. How will you find it? Can I take average Combined mean is equal to 60. Combined mean is equal to 60, which is equal to n1 into 80 plus n2 into 860 divided by n1 plus n2. Yes, then cross multiply. How much is it? Yes, it will be 60 n1 plus 60 n2, which is equal to 80 n1 plus 60. Is it 60 or oh no, 50? Sorry, 50 n2. Can you just keep them on the other sides? Yes. So 20 n1 is equal to 10 n2. So n1 is to n2 will be how much? 1 is to 2. Answer is 1 is to 2. Yes. Or we can do take the options. Yes. Yes. Yeah. Got it? Cross multiply. Yes. Take the ratios. Assume that this is the ratio. With that you try. You will get the answer. Yes. Yes. Or you can use the mixtures formula. You remember that. That also you can do. Cross multiply minus. That is the easiest method. What was that method? 60 is the mixture. Then 80, 50. So 50 by 60 minus this is 10. This is 20. Answer is 1 is to 2. Mixtures formula also you can use. Next one. How will you find it, people? Yes. 36. No. Answer is wrong. 42. Answer is wrong. 40. Only 2 options are left. Yes. 40 is the answer? How? What is the formula for time? You have studied in physics. In 10th standard, 8th standard, yeah. Fine. Oh, COVID time. Got it. So, one thing I'll ask. Simply I'll ask you a question. If you are having doubt with respect to that, just think. Speed is what is usually that? Kilometer per hour. What is kilometer? Distance, right? So speed is what? Distance by. Speed is what? Distance by time. So time will be what then? Distance by speed. So the first 5 kilometer, which will be 5 divided by speed is how much? 30. T1 is that much. T2 is how much? 15 divided by 45. So T1 is 1 by 6. T2 is 1 by 3. So we have total time now. Correct? T1 plus T2 we have, right? Total distance is how much? 5 plus 15. That is 20 divided by 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. What is the answer? Not right. 40 is the answer. Yes. Did you understand what we did here? HM only. That is the concept. That's where we are using HM in real life. That's why I just told you like this. It is just HM. Total distance divided by 1 by 6 plus 1 by 3. Got it? Understood? This is total distance divided by total time. Next one, people. They are asking variance. How will you solve it? So 2x is equal to minus 3y. So v of x is given. V of x is given means what? Yes, v of x is given means what? Variance of x is given. So can I write 2 by 3 modulus minus I'll take modulus. If you remember, we will ignore the sign, which is equal to 2 by 3. X is given, right? What is given? X is given. Into x is equal to y. Now, yes, same thing only. Yes, what are we going to do?
2 by 3 into 6.
Since it is variance, can we directly take it as 2 by 3? This is in terms of standard deviation. We need to square it. Squaring is how much? 4 divided by 9 into 6, which is equal to variance of y. What is the answer? 24 by 9. That is 8 by 3. Got the point? Yes. Next question.
B.
Is standard deviation affected by origin? No. If it was multiplied, it would have been. It is not. So answer is what? Sigma. Same itself. Whatever you are telling is going wrong. Yes. So what is given here? Variance is given. So we are converting for our terms. It is not affected by origin. That's why we are ignoring the 4. Then 2 by 3 x is equal to y. That is in terms of standard deviation. For variance, what we should do? We should square it. That's why it is becoming 4 by 9. Variance of x is already given 6 into 6. Answer is 8 by 3. So 25 by 9. That is 8 by 3. Next. Got it? Did you understand why it is sigma? Yes. Next question. What is the standard deviation of the following series? How will you find standard deviation? Tell me, people. What is the formula for finding standard deviation? Square root of summation of fx divided by fx square divided by n minus summation of or x bar the whole square. Can you find the answer for me? This should I do? It is direct. Whatever formula you should know, you should take the formula and do it. It's a direct question. Only time in one of the model tests, this is there. Directly it is there. So always you should know the formula to get the answer. This I'm not going to do. You should only do it. Just calculation. Just applying the formulas. Then next one. Yesterday we did the same question. Mean minus mode. Mean minus mode for skewed is what? 3 into mean minus median, which is equal to 69 divided by 3 is equal to mean minus median, which is equal to 23. Next question. If all observation in a distribution is increased by 6, the variance is unchanged. Yes. Good. Finally, yes. Answer is unchanged. It is not affected by origin. Yes. I think now you are getting that clarity of origin more and more. You will get the answer also. Good. Next one. Which measure of dispersion is based on absolute deviation? Mean deviation. Next one. Can you find the answer? What is the first step? Arrange them in ascending or descending order. Ascending order, which is the smallest number? 16. Then 21. Then 27. 25 is there. Where is 25? Yes, 25. Then 27. Then 29. Then 32. Then 35. Then 40. Then 51. Then that's it. Okay, how many terms are there in total? 9 terms are there in total. They are asking what quartile? Q3 they are asking. Q3 is equal to 3 by 4 into n plus 1th observation. N plus 1th observation. That is 3 by 4 into 3, 6, 9. That is 10. That means how much? How much? 30 by 4 is 7.5 observation. 0.5th observation. That is 7th observation plus 0.5 into gap. Do you remember that? 7th observation is what? 3, 6, 7. So 35 plus 0.5 into how much? 40 minus 35 is 5. Answer is how much? 30?
37.5.
Somewhere we went wrong. Where we went wrong? 3, 6. 5 into 0.5 is how much? Sorry, 0.5 only, right? 1 second. Where we went wrong? Did we go wrong anywhere? We are correct only, right? Yes. Then which is the nearest answer then? Yes, go for that. That's all. Next one. Q3 only they asked, right? Yes, fine. Huh? None of this is there, then we'll go for that. Yes. I will check this question again. Yes. Now look at this. The mean of 100 students was 45. Later on discovered that The marks of two students were misread as 85 and 54 instead of 58 and 45. Find the correct mean. How will you solve this? What is the method?
100 into 45.
100 into 45 minus 85 minus 54 plus 58 plus 45, the whole divided by 100. How many are there? 100. What is the answer? 44.64. Got the point? Yes. Next question. Arithmetic mean and coefficient of variation of data x are respectively 30 and 10 and 30 respectively. Variance of this is how much is the question. How will you find? So they have given arithmetic mean x bar and coefficient of variation of x. So from what is the formula for coefficient of variation? Standard deviation divided by x bar into 100. From this, can we find standard deviation of x? Yes, find that. So 30 is equal to standard deviation of x divided by x bar is how much? 10 into 100. How much is the answer? 3 is standard deviation of x. Now y is equal to 30 minus 2x. From that, what are we going to find? Y we need to find. Y is equal to 2x. Y is equal to 2x. Now what we will do? How will you get the answer?
Sir, standard deviation is
Standard deviation is this, but they are asking for variance. So we should square 2. That is 4 into 9.
For standard deviation, you want to square.
Into. What is the answer? 36. Why are you so doubtful? Yes, got the answer right. Next question. Approximate. Tell me the answer now. How many QTs are there, people? 3 QTs are there. So 2 SD is equal to 2.5 MD is equal to 3 QTs or QD. Okay. Now from this, we already did the question. Answer is 15 is to 12 is to 10. We will divide everything by 30. Sorry, that will become SD by 15, which is equal to MD by 12, which is equal to QD by 10. So SD is 15, MD is 12, and QD is 10. Now, got the point? Yes. Now the last 77th question, not the last question. The geometric mean of 3 numbers are 40, 50, and x is 10. What is the formula for geometric mean? 40 into 50 into x, the whole raised to 1 by 3 is equal to how much? 10. How will you remove this 1 by 3? Cube both sides. That means 50 into 40 is how much?
1 by 2.
X is how much?
1 by 2.
1 by 2. Got it? Yes. Can we do the next one? Yes. Yay! Upper limit and lower limit, not the highest and the lowest. Class size. Class mark is what? The middle value. Yes. Class size or class length. Now the question is, let P be a probability of S is equal to set of x1, x2, x3. If P1 of x is equal to this much, P of x3 is equal to this much, then P of x2 is how much? So total probability is how much always? 1. So can I write it as P of x1 plus P of x2 plus P of x3 is how much? 1. So P of x1 is how much, people? 1 by 4 plus P of x2 we need to find. Then P of x3 is how much? 1 by 3. Can you find the answer? Take the calculator.
5 by 4, sir.
How much is the answer? Option A. If you are finding difficult to factorize, what we will do? We will just divide it. 1 by 4 is how much? We will get a value. M plus. Then, sorry, M minus. MRC clear it. Then 1 divided by 4. M minus. Then 1 divided by 3. M minus. Then type 1. M plus and click MRC. You will get it as 0.4166, right? Then we will check which option is giving 0.4166. 5 divided by 12 is how much? 0.4166. Answer is option A. Next one. Can you do it? A speaks 60% of the cases truth. So P of A is how much? 0.6. So P of A telling a lie is what? 0.4. B 90. So P of B is how much? 0.9. P of B complement is how much? 0.1. In what percentage of cases they likely to contradict each other? Contradict each other means if A tell, yeah, yes. So first one, A is telling the truth, then B is telling the lie. They are contradicting each other. Plus or A is telling the lie and B is telling the truth. How much is the answer? How much is the answer? So 0.6 into 0.1 plus 0.4 into 0.9. How much is the answer?
42.
How much percentage? 42 percentage. Yes. Everyone got it? Can you do the next one? A candidate is selected for interview for 3 posts. Okay, 3 posts. He was selected for the interview. For the first, there are 3 candidates. For the second, there are 4 candidates, and for the third, there are 2 candidates. What are the chances of his getting at least 1 post? At least 1 means what? 1 or more. 1 or more, right? Can I write it as 1 minus P of x less than or equal to 1, right? That is x is equal to 0. X not getting selected at all. So can I write 1 minus in the first post? What are his chances of not getting selected? Total 3 candidates are there. So he will not get selected means what? Other 2 will get selected. That means 2 by 3. Did you get the point? 1 minus him not getting selected. They are asking at least 1 post he will get selected. I am doing it in a different way. 1 minus him not getting selected. In the first post, 2 other candidates are there. So they might get selected. He is not getting selected. That is 2 by 3. Plus, in the second post, there are 4. That means him not getting selected is what? 3 by 4. Plus, in the third, there are 2. That means him not getting selected is 1 by 2. Find the answer. 1 m plus, then 2 divided by 3 m minus, 3 divided by 4 m minus, 1 divided by 2 m minus. Click MRC, you will get it as how much? How much you got? How much you got? 1 m plus, let me clear the memory again. 1 m plus 2 by 3 m minus, 2 by 3 m minus, 3 by 4 m minus, 1 divided by 2 m minus. Finally click MRC. Tell me. What is the answer? Minus 0.9, huh? 0.91, huh? Yes, 0.91. So which is the correct option? Option A or B? A is how much? 3 divided by 4 is? Okay. 2 divided by 3 is 0.66. 1 divided by 10 is 0.1. Then 1 is there. So what is the answer? Approximately which is that? Yes. The next one. This is a good question. Everyone just think. This is a very good question. Look at the question. A card is usually what we do with the card. There is repetition, right? Here there is none of this, Yes, that's the problem. That's usually what we will do. We will think about repetition. Correct? Here what is telling? A card is drawn from a pack of playing cards and then another card is drawn without first being replaced. So it is not replaced. What is the probability of getting 2 kings? What is the probability of getting 2 kings? 4 by 52 is one possibility.
3 by 50.
into
3 by 51, sir.
into
3 by 51.
into 3 by 51.
1 by 250.
Without replacement means what? That first card is already taken away without being replaced. It is taken away. Answer is what?
1 by 220.
1 by 221. Got the point? Yes. Now the next question. I'm again going for the last. What time is it? Yes. The probability of a man hitting a target is 1 by 4. If he fires 7 times, the probability of hitting the target at least twice is what? How will you solve it?
Sir, first option, sir.
Is it?
Yes.
Why? You solved it. Okay, fine. Okay. At least twice means what? 2 or more. The best thing is what? Always take it as 1 minus
0.
P of
0
0
plus P of
P of 1. Correct? Is there any issue with that? No? Correct? Everyone is valid, right? Yes. Now, 1 minus. What is the case?
NCS.
Him hitting a target is what?
P by
P is equal to 1 by 4. Q is equal to 3 by 4. So, first case, NC0. N is how much here? N is 7. First one is 7C0 into 1 by 4 the whole raised to 0 into 3 by 4 the whole raised to 7 plus 7C1 into 1 by 4 the whole raised to 1 into 3 by 4 the whole raised to 6. Now my question is, what is common in both of this? 3 by 4 the whole raised to 6 is common in both of it, right? I'm taking that common. 3 by 4 the whole raised to 6 is common in both of it. We got one of it. So 2 options, 3 options thing we got it. Now we need to solve. 7C0 is how much? 1 into 1 by 4 the whole raised to 0 is how much? 1 plus 7C1 is how much? 7. 1 by 4 the whole raised to 1 is how much? 1 by 4, that is 7 by 4. Now that is equal to 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole raised to... Here 1 3 by 4 is there, right? Okay, perfect. 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 plus 7 by 4, that is 10 by 4. And what is the answer? 1 minus 3 by 4 the whole raised to 6 into 5 by 2. Option A is our answer. Good question, right? Yes. Can we do the next one? Yes. It is based on what? Poisson, huh? Yes, what is the formula for Poisson? E raised to minus m raised to x divided by x factorial. Now read the question. Without reading the question itself, I can read the last line. 5 bulbs will be defective. Find the probability of the sample from 100. 5 will be defective. We need to find x is equal to 5. Do you know the value of m? Yes, m is 5 from the given thing. So e raised to minus 5 into 5 raised to 5 raised to 5 raised to 5 divided by 5 factorial. What is the answer?
First option.
Option E value is how much? It is given. Correct? Yes. Option E. Got it? Any doubt? Yes. So the best part is usually in the option it is given. So in the question itself, e raised to value will be given. From that itself we can tell that m value is this. We won't go and find it. Now the next one. In a non-leap year, the probability of getting 5 Sundays, that is 1 by 7, or that means plus 53 Tuesdays, 1 by 7 plus 1 by 7. Answer is 3 by 7. Option C is the answer. Now look at the question. Examine the validity of the following. Mean and standard deviation of the binomial distribution are 10 and 4 respectively. That means NP is equal to 10. NPQ is equal to root of NPQ is equal to 4. Variance is NPQ. So root of NPQ is standard deviation. So substitute this over here. Root of 10 into Q is equal to 4. So Q will be how much? Squaring both sides. So Q is equal to 16 divided by 10, which is equal to 1.6. Is it possible? Q value should be in between 0 and 1. So P value also should be in between 0 and 1. It's a probability, right? So answer is not valid. Now, can you find the value of this? Poisson variate. So e raised to minus m into m raised to 1 divided by 1 factorial, which is equal to e raised to minus m into m raised to 2 divided by 2 factorial. Chetan, look at the formula. It is that easy. You will get the mark if you study this. I am telling you. Just study that. Yes. Seeing the Poisson variate itself, we are directly applying the formula. Nothing else we are doing. So what is the answer? E raised to minus m, e raised to minus m. M and 1 of the m. M is equal to 2.
2, sir.
Yes. Mean m is equal to 2. Variance is equal to 2. Mode is equal to 2 comma 1. So if m value is 2, mode will be 2 and 2. 1. 1 less than m. Now look at the question. 30 balls are serially numbered and placed in a bag. Find the chance that the first ball drawn is a multiple of 3 or 5. How many balls are there in total? 30 are there. So P of 3 will be how much? 10 divided by, which is divisible by 3. How many numbers? From 30, 10 are divisible by 3. Plus, how many are divisible by 5? 6 are divisible by 5. Which is divisible by both of it?
15.
Yes, 15 is there, then 30 is there. Minus 2 by 30. Answer is how much? 14 by 30. Answer is 7 by 15. Cancelling it with 2. For a normal distribution, the first and third quartile are given as 37 and 49. The mode of the distribution is the question. Very good question. What was the formula? Q1 is equal to mu minus 0.6765 sigma. Q2 is equal to mu plus 0.675 sigma. If you add both of it, it will be how much? 6745. Yes. If you add both of it, 2 mu will be how much? Q1 plus, this will get cancelled off, right? Both of it will get cancelled off if we add both of it. So 2 mu will be Q1 plus Q2. What is the value of Q1? 37. 37 plus 49 is how much? 37 plus 49 is how much?
86.
86 is mu. So mu is equal to 86 by 2. How much is it? 43. Now normal distribution. Do you remember? Mean is equal to mode is equal to median. Everything is same. So what is the answer? 43. Then odds in favor of A. So P of A is how much? In favor. That means 3 divided by 4. In a 3 independent trials, the probability of non-occurrence. So P of A complement is how much? 1 by 4. 3 independent trials means what? First trial he is not getting, into second trial he is not getting, then third trial also he is not getting. What is the answer? 1 by 64. Non-occurrence. If it was occurrence, what we will do? 3 by 4 into 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Okay, next question. Can you solve it? How will you solve this? 4y minus 5x is equal to 15. Regression line of y on x. The coefficient of correlation between x and y is? Coefficient of correlation means R value is given 0.75. Then they are asking regression coefficient on x, on y. How will you find? Y on x is how much from the given line? What was the formula? Take the coefficient. That is 4 by 4 by 5
5 by 4.
or 5 by 4 5 by 4 Pakka? Pakka? Yes, we will try 5 by 4. That is 1 of B. What is given? Y on x. I am asking, still asking you, yx is equal to 5 by 4. Is it correct? Yes. Let it be like that. Be happy. Don't change anything. R is equal to, what is the formula? Bxy into Byx. Sorry, Byx. So R is how much? 0.75, which is equal to root of 5 by 4 is how much? 5 divided by 4 is 1.25 into x. Sorry, into byx. Can you solve it? Yes. How much is the answer?
0.45.
0.45. Option A is the answer. Square both sides, that means 0.75 into equal to divided by 1.25. Answer is 0.45. Got the answer? Yes. Can you do the next one? If the regression line of y on x and x on y are given as 2x plus 3y is equal to minus 1, 5x plus 6y is equal to minus 1, the arithmetic mean of x and y are given by what? What is the method I told you? Just substitute the value, whichever is satisfying it, that's our answer. Just substitute the value. For example, option A you take. Put 1 and minus 1. That means 2 in plus 2 plus 3 into minus 1. That is 2 minus 3, which is equal to minus 1. That is satisfied. Try in the second equation. 5 minus 6, which is equal to minus 1. So option A is our answer. Just substitute it or solve it. Anything is fine. Now go and solve it or substitute it. Next one. Correlation coefficient between x and y is this much. So our value is 0.5 root of 0.5 into bxy. Square both sides, then it will be 0.5. bxy is equal to 0.5. Just by knowing one formula, I am telling you, you will get the marks. Correlation coefficient is equal to root of product of the regression coefficients. Then find the answer for this. Positive and perfectly correlated. What does that mean? R value is how much? Positive and perfect correlation means 1. R is equal to 1. One of the regression coefficient is 1.4. So R is equal to root of 1.4. And the standard deviation of x is 2. The variance of y is the question. How will you find it? How will you find it? We have one formula. R is equal to that we have. That is already there. Then some other formula we have. What is it? bxy is equal to R into correct. Do you remember yesterday we did same problem? Try with that. You will get the answer. From that, can you find variance? If you find standard deviation of x, can you square it and find variance? Yes, you can do that. Okay, I am telling you, revise the formulas again and again. Okay, yes. Now, what is the answer? What was the formula of concurrent deviation? Root of 2c minus m divided by m or n? M or n. Go back, check the formulas. Everyone, if you have something with you, just check the formula. That's how you revise. Do you remember concurrent deviation formula? Minus m divided by m. Yes, always revise it. I'm telling you. Now, can you solve everything? Yes, solve the value. How many are there? See, 6 is there. Then what else is given? We need to find the value of n. How will you find n? First find m. From that you can find n. Solve it. Okay. Yes. Direct solving. I am not going to solve for you this one because it is very direct. Next one. What is the answer?
-600. 600.
1 minute is there. We have enough time. Oh, this question also. This also is done within 2 hours. Crazy. You should be able to. I am telling you. You should also solve within 2 hours. If we can solve it, you can also do it. Oh, 97 option A. Correct. Good. 96 option
C.
C or B.
C.
C or B.
C. A.
A. No. First one, 96th one. Circular, that is correct, Cheda. That is correct. Yes. 96, I am asking.
6 sir.
Huh? 96, I am asking you. C only, correct, 100 is becoming 200. Then, how much increment is happening? 300 is happening. So, what should be the real wage they are asking? Okay. How much is it?
600.
600. Fine. Next one. How will you solve this? Yesterday we solved it. In the previous paper also we solved it. What is the formula? B is equal to L plus P divided by 2. So 300 is equal to 180 plus P. So P is equal to 120. Answer is option A. Then 99. Lappe index is weighted aggregate method using base or current year? Base year. Quantity or value? Quantity of the base year. And the last and final question. Find the purchase number for prices from the following. What is the formula for purchase index?
P1 by P0.
Sigma
P1
P1 divided by P0 Q1. Yes. So what is base year? This is P0, this is Q0, this is P1, this is Q1. So take the product, add everything, divide it by the thing. You will get the answer. Okay, how will you do it? P1 Q1 is how much? P1 Q1 is how much? 6 into 30, 4 into 10, M. So 6 into 30, M plus 4 into 10, M plus 3 into 10, 3 into 8, M plus 3 into 45, M plus. Then click MRC and find the numerator. Write it there. How much you got? How much you got? 379? 379, huh? Yes. Then denominator, how will you find? P0 Q1, that is 5 into 30, M plus 3 into 10, M plus 2 into 8, M plus 10 into 45, M plus. Finally click MRC. How much you got? 654, huh? Then divide equal to multiply. How much is the answer? Divide equal to multiply it with 359. How much is the answer?
379 divided by 346.
646.
Yes.
0.586.
Point
0.58.
0.58, huh?
Yes, sir.
Is that the answer? How will you get the answer then?
I don't know. Option C is answer.
Paka, what is the, did you apply the formula correct? Passes into 100 is there. Yes.
58.6.
What is the answer?
58.66.
Is it?
Sir, option nearby option, sir. Into 100 if you do means you will get
Ah.
57.5.
So, which is the nearby one? 100 plus 58 will give you something like 158 point something, right? Which is the nearest one? 157.26. Yes. So, study the formula. I'm telling you. What did you understand from statistics till now? What we did? We just applied formula. Did we do anything? Logic is not needed. Just apply the formula. We'll get the logic is only needed in regression and also finding the shift of origin and variance and all. When equation is given, finding variance and all, logic is needed. Then probability logic is needed. But everywhere else, we were directly applying the formulas. So we'll wind up the class. How much time we took? 1 hour 40 minutes. Huh? Yes, 1 hour 56 minutes we completed it. So we can do it. I am teaching you and I am doing it. That means you can finish everything in 2 hours. Correct? Yes.